Let's go back. Let's put it like that. Alright. Seems decent for now. Alright. Everything seems good for today. I'm gonna zoom out for a little bit. I'm gonna just stare at the 1 hour for a little bit here, and then the 4 hour, and then drop down. So do a top down and everything real quick. Not really top down, but basically what I'm expecting for today. Alright, so for today we have created a 4 hour dealing range. Again, you can see it on the 1 hour very clearly, but I'm gonna be on the 4 hour to draw a little bit better. And see from high to low of this dealing range, ideal area to be shorting is up here. So I probably will go long since we have tapped that weekly buy center balance too. I just don't see us closing. I mean, high of week. What is this? A Thursday? Yes, Thursday high of week. I mean, low of week. Tuesday. I do see us retracing a little bit. Then Friday we're going a little bit lower. That's all I really can see. We most likely are not. You know, we probably won't get that. We respected the mean threshold really nicely on the mean threshold of that weekly order block. We're about to hit this volume imbalance. I'm going to see on the 4 hour. I think this is like a new day opening gap. We'll put that on the NQ for sure. So it's the closing right here. It's the opening. It's a new day opening gap. Hopefully, yeah, okay. So it's a new day opening gap. I want to see how we react inside of it, of course. If we want to drop lower, if we want to rally higher. Using the dealing range, that would be very ideal for us to see us go above it and use it as a means to push price higher, and then eventually Friday we close a little bit below. I wouldn't be too sketched out about that. We have a little buy center balance right here and just a little breaker, so we can come back down, I guess, and then push price higher. I wouldn't be too inclined to have that scenario. For ES, it looks a lot more clear. So big breaker right there with the big fair value gap. It's kind of a unicorn. So if we come down, push price higher, that's kind of like what would we expect, honestly, and then probably push up to the sell center balance, or maybe like the volume imbalance, consequent encroachment. What was this over here? Okay, yeah, no, we respected this perfectly here. I might have to take a trade here on this one. But let's go back to the 4 hours. Make this relatively quickly. For our time frame, we have a buy center balance here on this one. Pretty clear, pretty smooth. We can see we are holding it. I would have wanted the 4 hour and the 1 hour buy center balance here to be targeted, since this is more of a ideal dealing range. So, you know, if we go from right here all the way to up here, you can just see it. It's not there. You can just see it there. It's in the discount. I would have wanted that. So if we don't hold this one, then of course I would want this one, these two PD arrays, like a unicorn basically, to be a means to push price higher. Damn. All right, so and then we have another dealing range here. We hit discount, I mean premium. We have a 4 hour. We have a 4 hour inversion fair value gap here. We did close below it. I want to see us close again below it. We still got 3 hours though. This candle just opened up. So we opened, rallied higher, came to a premium, then now we're dropping. Coming down to a discount. So now we come down to a discount. I mean to a premium. We hit a sell center balance. Start dropping. We do have like a little breaker here that I would be skeptical about, and then probably this right here too. But again, this one is more of an ideal area. 15-minute time frame. We are dropping now, and you know this breaker isn't really holding. Even like the mean threshold probably will hold, and then we'll start dropping even further. GPB USD, it seems like we are a little bit more bullish on GU. Yeah, no, it seems like we are a little bit stronger on GU. Honestly, I should say that. Just look at this and then look at these highs and look at these highs. GU just looks a lot stronger. I think it took out these highs, right? And Euro never did. So I mean, oh, that just goes to show weakness on GU. It took out these highs, turtle soup there, while these right here, oh no, they're already taken out. So probably these. Let's go do this real quick. So this high right here, already taken out for this one. This high was never taken out, so we have SMT there, and then eventually on the 4 hour too, we have a sell sign imbalance we came into and we hit. And if we use equilibrium of the range again, or the Dylan range, higher time frame, we are in a premium, very ideal for shorts right there. But we are dropping already, so we had a break of structure too on the 1 hour. Move back up to the 1 hour, you can see we had a break of structure. We came up and retraced. That's kind of what I was expecting, and then eventually we do want to see lower prices. This would be ideal for shorts here. I want to wait for more of a confirmation on the 5 minute. So a good area for me on the confirmation on the 5 minute will probably have to be consequent encroachment of this wick right here. If we come up, retrace and hit it, that would be a very, very nice area to short. If we don't get that, then that's perfectly fine here with me, honestly. I wouldn't be too inclined to catch later on the move, but I would have preferred the higher time from dealing range to be in our favor for sure. If we go up to the 15 minute, you can just see it. We are forming. We have a little buy center balance here. We got to watch out for later on for sure. So this is like an internal range right here of liquidity here on the 5 minute, on the 15. Internal resistance liquidity. On the 1 minute, you can just see we are rallying higher. Again, I would have just preferred this kind of wick on the consequent encroachment to take a short, because we are bouncing off of a 1 minute buy center balance. Let me use my phone real quick. So this one is stronger, of course, here. So no, yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, we did create a 5 minute order block. This would be a 5 minute order block. If we come up, I would have wanted to see this and then probably that. So we'll draw this out real quick. So yeah, that's a 5 minute order block. Wouldn't be too inclined for that on the 5 minute. 5 minute here looks pretty clear, honestly. Looks like we want to come and get that. So no, yeah, this is pretty clear, bro. This is like a market maker style model here forming. We're gonna be very patient though. In Q and ES, we are again, yeah, forming that market maker style model. I want to see how we react on 9:30 whenever we open. And then for these, I'm about to see where midnight opening is at. So yeah, we're just above midnight opening. Maybe this is a bearish day right here that we are in a premium. And then eventually we start dropping. So I'm gonna wait to see if we start to react to this right here, honestly. It wouldn't be a bad target to short. Right now I'll just be waiting though for sure. Probably seeing a little bit more movement. And I guess I got to see that. So Euro just looks a lot weaker. I mean, yeah, no, Euro looks a lot weaker than GU as of right now, honestly. I would probably have to wait more for a range. Probably these lows have to get broken on the 5 minute. If we go up, create a bullish movement. For me. Do you take a trade today, bro? I haven't even took a trade today. It's way too early for me. Not even for indices is way too early. I usually wait for 9:30 opening, and then after like 30 minutes, I'll probably take a trade. Forex, I'll see if I can take a trade right here, right now. I would probably want more confirmation though, because usually something I lack is confirmation. I'll enter impulsively, like right here I would enter. I need to measure more of the order flow, like watching if this gets respected, and then we drop, and then we create an inverse. This can get ran through, you know. It's a 1 minute inversion for a value gap. It can get disrespected, bro. I usually that wouldn't be enough confirmation here for me, especially on the 1 minute. I usually like scaling up, you know, to the 1 hour. 1 hour dealing range up here. This would be very ideal, you know, taking a short up here instead of taking a short down here, you know. Instead of a discount, I want more of a premium price. That's kind of why I'm not shorting right now. You can see it up here. Again, if we go up, take out this high or this order block mean threshold, I would probably take a short. Probably this order block here, mean threshold right there. But we are, look at that, we're pushing price higher. I'm not going to short yet. It's too early, too soon, especially for GU too. Look at that, GU is above this kind of way, consequent encroachment. We're about to hit that order block on the 5 minute. You can see we're just pushing price higher. It's too early to short. If we break below these lows, then we start retracing. Then that would be an ideal scenario for me. So we are hitting that imbalance on the 1 hour. You can see it right there. Boom. I want to see how we close in the next 45 minutes on this candle. We create an inverse here, and then we start dropping. That would be like more of a BPR. Then I'll start looking to see if we can short. We just need to wait for more confirmation, especially with CAD. I need CAD to drop more, and then eventually go higher, because that means the forex pairs are gonna go up then drop. I'm sneezing like crazy. And then for this one, I'll put it in this right. Nah, okay, let's put that. So for this one, we're watching the new day opening gap here form, and we're just watching to see how we are, wanting to push price higher and above it, or if we want to dig deep and then eventually start dropping lower. Simple as that. These right here, just watching to see if we want to continue higher and then eventually start to have that expansion lower, or if you want to just leave the low of week with Thursday right here. This could be the low week, and then we just retrace to 50% of the range that we created here on Thursday. We are above midnight open, so maybe this is a bullish day right here. Maybe this is all premium prices, then this is our discount now. Or yeah, this is discount, and then this is our premium for the bullish day. Basically, we wanted to create that low of day, and then eventually we're going to create the high of day soon. So we're just going to try to catch that retracement, I guess, back down, since we are more bearish. But I won't force my hand here. I'm going to just try to be more patient. Not even thinking about taking a trade right now. That's what mainly been just reviewing, I guess. I've been reviewing a lot. I need to continue to review a lot. I need to review every day, man. I review my trades every day. Just learning what I could have done better. Because I've been down like 1% on the funded now. I was up 1%, now I'm down 1%, so I lost 2% this week. Just the silly trades. I wouldn't even alert y'all, because the narrative was correct. It was just the entry confirmation, and then the entries. They were just very impulsive entries that I just reviewed. I wasn't even reviewing. I wasn't trying to get better the previous days. The past 3 days. Honestly, yeah, the past 3 days haven't been on top of my game. So right now, we're just gonna be tape reading, not even worrying about a trade. We're gonna be scaling up. This is something I've been trying to do more, just scaling up, using that higher time from dealing range. Right here, premium prices. Again, we can seek higher prices. If we want to continue higher, I wouldn't mind it, probably until the sell sign balance. If we want to drop, though, probably to these areas of inefficiency, probably a break or two on the 15-minute here. Right here, this low, and then this up here. Come back down, unicorn, perfect. I'm not gonna be skeptical for lower prices. I wouldn't mind it. For the forex pairs, I'm gonna be watching that. See if we continue higher. So yeah, that 5-minute order block didn't hold. We can use it as an inversion now. Not really much else we can use it for. We'd probably use it to push price higher. If we take out this high up here, I'm gonna be watching to see what we do next, honestly. For Euro too, if we take out that high, I'll be watching to see what we do next. For CAD, I want to see us take out these lows, pretty much. And then I'm actually start using that inverse on CAD. What is that, BPR? I think on the 1 hour for sure. Yes, on the 1 hour. 1 hour balance price range here. I need to wake up this early, man. I feel like it's a lot more beneficial. Just for the forex pairs too. Woke up early today. I like it. Thoughts on Dixie? What are your thoughts? I usually don't even like looking at other people's analysis, but I mean, if you want me to give you mine, then I will. I'm not inclined to that. Dixie, we swept the previous week high, and the previous day high. We created a volume imbalance. I would want us to stay above here, and we hit the premium weight consequent encroachment. We have taken out. I would have wanted these highs to be taken out, and then the sell sign balance. We never reached that. We are retracing. I wouldn't mind if we come back down to like 50% of this range from the high to low, to the buy sign balance, and then to the order block on that 4 hour. We did have a order block on the 4 hour here too on the daily. Big order block on the daily, but the mean threshold is like halfway here, so I wouldn't mind that either. And then we have, what is this, a 4 hour buy sign balance We're not holding it right now. Seems like we digging deep past consequent encroachment. So, I'm going to be very lenient to see how we react, honestly, to the consequent encroachment here. If we continue lower, I wouldn't mind it. But this is going to be like the high of week Thursday. I don't think we're going to go. We're going to push up a little bit further, but we're not going to take out these highs for sure. And then Friday's going to be the same thing. We have like a low volume day. So then that's pretty much what I expect. I do, if we want to continue lower, then I kind of see us going lower and then eventually dropping. For the Forex pair, same thing. We still got a long way to close on these 4-hour candles, so I can see us probably, if we want to go up, we can probably come up to here, or this kind of wick, premium wick right here, consequent encroachment, drop after that. Wouldn't be too inclined for that. Same thing for the indices, if we can go up if we want to. I wouldn't mind if we come down though to that breaker and then that fair value gap. Just waiting for it to be formed. So right here, this breaker right here. Let's put it on the Q to do in Q right here. And then we have a fair value gap there. So this would be our breaker right here. And then our fair value gap right here. Right here. What is this on the 15 minutes? Clear 15-minute buy sign balance with a breaker. Clear, clear, clear. Very clear. Even on Dixie too. On SPX. It's kind of big on SPX. And the breaker right here. The breaker's big on the Bissy's bigger on the SPX. For sure. So we're dropping now, honestly. We didn't take out that high. I would have wanted that high to be taken out. Then we dropped. So CAD took it out. I think dollar took it out too. Dollar never took it out, so this is where the FX pairs drop. These are continuing to rally. That's what I like to see. Using that order block to push price higher. We're just gonna be watching price. Usually glued to like the 5-minute zone on these MT4 charts. On my phone, I usually have it on the 15-minute. So we are dropping on euro. This is kind of expected, I guess. We have a balanced price range again here. If we do close there, this is the high right here. This will probably be a balanced price range. Even bigger one. Changing the state of delivery. 5-minute, I would want to see probably these lows be broken through. Big displacement, honestly, on that 1 hour fair value gap there. Of course, we dug above it, which isn't bad. Still respected it. We never took out these highs. Even the rejection blocks, I think the 5-minute we did. No, 15. No, we didn't even hit the rejection block. That just goes to show. We're just pushing price lower now here on these. No SMT here on the 5-minute. Yeah, no SMT here on these time frames. Only these lows probably. Probably the lows. This one dug deeper. This one dug higher. So GU looks a lot stronger right now, and then EU looks a lot weaker. So the traded deal would probably be a lot more valid here on this one. I do want to see a drop from the previous week, or the buy sign balance on the weekly here. Of course, I don't want to see it stay up there. I want to see this become an inverse for sure. So I want to see this push price lower, probably to these lows, and then break these lows for sure. On euro and GU. For indices, we're going to see if indices start to drop here. We're going to probably catch along eventually. So drink some water here. Measuring the order flow here is the most important thing for me. For sure. Order flow is probably one of the most important things. We have an institutional order flow in Chijura right here. Start dropping. Let's go to euro. Euro already. I'd rather see euro. Here, if you're trying to catch the trade here, it's pretty too late. Just wait for the retracement, honestly. I'm just talking to myself too. If you want to catch a long here, a short, it's not ideal. You're already too far deep down here. Just wait. It's gonna retrace. Come back down to your range. On the 5-minute, on the 15 is gonna create a SIBI, and then you're gonna catch the trade there. Look at the 5 minute, created a what? Inversion fair value gap. On the 5 minute. It's clear, bro, it's clear. It's clear what you want. Right here. It's clear what you want. On the 5 minute. We're gonna retrace, we're gonna hit this, then we're gonna drop. Catch this right here, common consequent crush, we're gonna take these lows out. And then you can take a short. Don't worry, you're gonna be able to catch it. Euro doesn't, I mean, GU doesn't have that. Respected that order block though, for sure. This order block right here, we respected the consequent encroachment, I bet. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. So we broke these lows on Euro. GU never did. GU is the stronger one for sure. We'll see the chart on GU, see how it looks. Oh yeah, it looks a lot stronger. We also have that buy side balance down there too. This one right here. I'm gonna be watching to see. Euro's dropping. CAD is just rallying higher. Indices, we still have yet to open. We got 5 minutes, so we're gonna be watching that to see how we open. These we're still above, or we're below it now. We're still above it on this one, so everything's a premium up here. So shorts would be ideal. Anything below would be discount, so buys would be ideal. So we had that 5 minutes. 5 minutes still yet to break, so we are breaking on Euro now. Good movement here, honestly. I would have felt inclined to take a trade here, but I'm not. I don't want to take a trade right now because I don't want to force my hand. I don't want to be impulsive. I want to wait for my confirmation. I would have taken a trade right then and there, right there. Probably like around here. As soon as I saw it start moving, I would probably take a trade. That sometimes is not ideal to do that, you know. Better to wait for your model. I'd rather wait for it to come up and then take the short. Or yeah, no, same thing for GU. I'd rather wait for it to come up here to these imbalances here, or this one up here, fill it up, and then start dropping. You know, that's kind of something I would have wanted. Something I still want to. For CAD, I would want. For CAD, I don't even know about CAD, bro. CAD is just crazy. Dollar index, we're rallying. We're ready to hit a sell sign of balance. I would want a little retracement back into this little order block here we created. Same thing for Euro again. Just being patient pays. Patience pays. Even if you missed a trade idea, it's worth it as long as your analysis was correct. So we're still rallying up on these. I'm gonna be watching that. We're gonna be watching to see if we can continue building up all this low resistance, then eventually start coming down. For the AM session, this one has more of a high resistance liquidity run, and this one has low resistance. You can see it clearly. And then for the forex pairs, we are starting to retrace up a little bit. So let's go to the indices here. More of an SMT here, I can say. So NQ already took these lows out, while ES never did. Goes to show weakness on ES while NQ has strength. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Very clear, you know, we're gonna drop, hit this, rally higher maybe. That's what I want. So look at this. GU's rallying up. EU's gonna be rallying up too. We're gonna draw the discount of the range. The premium and then the discount. Ideal shorts would be up there. See? Just wait now. We're gonna have to be patient. Wait. 5 minutes. We didn't have that breakup structure yet, so we can rally higher and catch shorts up there. Just wait. Be patient. 5 minute here. We never break structure either. So I'm gonna draw what? The Dylan range. High and low. Ideal shorts would be up here for sure, right here. That's where our ideal shorts would be, and then probably taking the shorts up there in the discount, in the premium. Using the Dylan range again, that would be more ideal. Using this Dylan range right here. Even up here, it would be ideal. Maybe just seeing these highs taken out, both of these highs, then you take a turtle soup entry. Very ideal. Indices, we're about to open in 1 minute. I'm about to see what happens for 9:30. We're gonna rally up maybe, or we're gonna come back down and then take these lows, or hit this breaker and then buy side and then start rallying. I would take longs there. For these, I'll take shorts because we're rallying up. I want to see these daily ranges be respected. If not, then of course. So GU, we're reacting to the inverse already. You can see it. We're respecting it. That one more of a premium price though for sure. Just not closing above. Just like waking up into it and then dropping. Same thing for euro. We come up, hit this, maybe this one up here, 5 minute. Wake up, come down. CAD, I want to see it drop to at least 50% of the range. So probably, damn, probably like, well, no, we already hit premium on discount. So probably they're in this range right here. So we already hit it. It was already too late in the morning. So probably down here. So rallying higher on GU. Indices were open already. We're dropping. I wouldn't be too inclined if we drop. To probably, yeah, no, probably consequent encroachment. I'll be watching these for sure. So yeah, pretty much both of the trade ideas are going to be correct here. If we want to choose one, I would prefer this one. Add an alert here. GU, we're digging deeper. I want to watch. Oh yeah, this one. Oh yeah, dropping. Euro already crossing, rallying higher. Damn, we're just pumping up on these, for sure, for sure. Look at that, pumps. 9:30 pumps. I want to see this 1 minute candle closes. We're gonna disrespect all this in one candle. You can see that's why you want to be patient. Don't want to be shorting your shorts right here. Would have been invalidated. This is an OTE entry. Maybe if we start disrespecting this fair value gap here, we start showing signs of rejection. Maybe this is where we can catch some shorts here. Big movement. Big movement on these, man. I want to see it reject though. Look, we're using that as an inversion now. That is something you don't want to see. I said we can take these highs out and then drop. Turtle swoop entry and a premium up here. That would be very, very ideal. I wouldn't be too inclined to see that happen. I wouldn't mind it if it happens, you know, honestly. If we take out external and then we start dropping. These were rallying higher. We didn't come back down to the buy side. We just had a big wick and then we're just gonna continue to the upside. So I think this would be more of my type of trades right now. Probably euro, GU. So we're hitting that hourly imbalance again. We're just hitting it. Same on this one. We're still hitting that 4 hour imbalance, I think, or that 1 hour, 4 hour. It seems like we're using it as an inversion right now, especially on the 4 hour. Still too early to determine where. I mean, still way too early to determine how that candle's gonna close. Same for euro. We had this break of structure. We're inside of a deep premium. I'm not gonna take a trade yet. I'm gonna wait. These right here, I still feel like we're just gonna come back down, hit this, and then rally. 9:30 to 10. I want to see, you know, if we're gonna create that Judah swing. This would be the Judah swing. We come down, and then we should start rallying higher. There's like all AMD right here. So accumulation and the manipulation and the distribution phase up. Forex, you can see we are just hitting that nicely. That 4 hours, 1 hour CB, I think, inside of a premium. I wouldn't mind if we take those highs out though. Both of those highs, and then we start dropping. Just being patient. Patience pays. It's bitter, but it's sweet for sure. If my bias is wrong and we continue higher, then of course that is something I won't be mad about. Same thing for this one. We're rallying now. It's how the new day opening gap. I'm not mad about that either. PM session might come down, you know. Who knows? Friday tomorrow we might come down. Who knows? It doesn't matter to me. What I'm watching is this. Seeing if we want to continue for these. I think these are my main objectives for Forex right now. So GU, we're just rallying higher. Oh no, I want to move on to inactive. Euro taking out this high already. GU never, GU took it out. Euro never did. SMT there, clear SMT. These are just continuing higher. So big SMT there. GU already took these highs out. Euro never did. GU looks a lot stronger right now than Euro. That's kind of why we are creating a 1 hour imbalance. So yeah, no, we're just hitting this inverse now. Respecting it. I guess we can see us close up in here somewhere. Probably during like London close we start dropping. Oh yeah, probably during London close. We still got like what 25, 26 minutes. Not bad, not bad. Inside the inverse now. I want to see if we use these as a means to push price higher, or if we start, respecting them and dropping. I want to see the 5 minute. 5 minute, we have a big sell sign imbalance. I want to see how we close on the 5 minute too. Take this level off. Take these levels off. So yeah, we're gonna see now. We're gonna see clearly. Take this off too. Take this off. Already took this out. So we're just gonna see now. We're gonna see you be patient. Wait for these to come down, I guess. Yeah, no, I'll probably take the longs here, maybe. Start to come down. Maybe this is market maker sell model here, and we start forming it. And we start coming down. My focus is more on this, so we are dropping now. The 5 minute time frame. We closed above it, but again, this mean threshold is probably being respected here on this order block. So yeah, no, it is. The wicks are doing the damage right now. So we're gonna go up above it, and then we're gonna close. That would be a very strong confirmation for me. We're respecting the mean threshold of this daily order block. I need to get rid of these. I'm tired of seeing those. So we close. We open below it. That's pretty crazy to me. We're gonna see how this one reacts for sure. Same thing for G. I want to see if how we react to this. I don't want to enter yet, too early. For some shorts. I want to be patient. Patience pays, ladies and gentlemen. Don't ever forget that. So the trade idea will probably be better on GU since we are weaker on GU. I'm stronger. We're going to probably drop more on GU. Euro too, though. Euro looks very nice. So we already swept these highs too on GU. See that? Boom. 5 minutes. We have a inversion fair value here on the 5 minutes. So we're gonna mark that out first. More of like a balanced price range here on the 5 minute. I want to see if we push price higher above that or drop. That's all I'm waiting for now on GU. Same thing for Euro. I bet Euro has the same thing. Yeah, no, Euro has the same thing. I want to see how we close in 2 minutes. For sure, for sure. So yeah, I think Euro would probably offer a better trade here than GU would probably offer a lot. Probably Euro. Euro seems a lot less. More like high resistance. I would probably take that for sure. Or it's on the market maker sell model here. Probably targeting like 50% of this range here, like right around here. These lows after these lows. Since we did probably sweep some. That weekly candle needs to catch up to GU. GU already took out this previous week low, so probably shorts here will probably be better on Euro if you want to hold. For sure, for sure. Indices were dropping. This is what I like to see here. Disrespecting that. I want to see if we come back down here. Let me set my alert. Take out all this low resistance. Same thing for this one. Take out all this low resistance here. Come back down. Reprice. Rally. GU. EU. Can't really see much here on these. It looks like we want to continue being bullish. Dollar looks like it wants to be bearish. It wants to dig deeper. So I can see the forex pairs rallying even more. Dollar dropping. And then we start seeing that retrace, that push lower for sure. As of right now, dollar just looks weak. Looks like it wants to continue probably come back down to a discount or equilibrium. And then we start to rally. So I wouldn't be too mad about these rallying higher. I don't want to be having like that false dilemma. Dollars, not pushing higher. I want to see strong push like this. Yesterday we should have waited for what? 11 o'clock, pushing higher. 12. Yesterday, 11 o'clock, 12, pushing higher. These dropping. Same thing now. We're going to have to wait for dollar to push up. Dollar not pushing up, then that means what? Weakness. We're going to come down further. That means the forex pair is going to go higher. Indices, oh yeah, we're dropping. Probably a trade here will probably be better on the indices. Let's go look at the indices on my MT4 real quick. The one I'll probably trade is the index or Nasdaq. Oh, I don't want to take a trade yet. Probably Nasdaq. I wouldn't be too inclined for that. So we're hitting the buy side soon, like a couple candles soon right here. On Nasdaq, yeah, real quick right here. So let's measure the dealing range here. We're gonna use the most recent high to the most recent low. Right here to right here. So we're already in a discount for Nasdaq. For S&P ski, we still got a little more room. For more room to the downside right here. So yeah, no, we're just hitting this one. Big market maker sell model here that a lot of people probably caught right now. I'm gonna want to catch the longs for sure. So I wouldn't mind if S&P comes down a little further. I want to see if we react to this low right here. It's a key low right here too. These right here, we're starting to drop here on these. I just want to see dollar have more strength. It's not having strength right now, so I don't want to see it push up yet. 5-minute time frame. Nah, yeah, it don't look too. As soon as they open this way, sorry about that, but I don't even see this coming up more. I see it's coming back down, repricing probably. Or we can probably disrespect this low right here or this inverse here. I want to see this. I would have wanted more of a deep retracement for sure. Probably into the breaker and then we start rallying. I'm gonna wait for those. These right here, we're still just continuing up. CAD is rallying. We came back down to a discount. Very ideal for longs here on the CAD. To like that range up there. It's kind of it's more of a risk on because look, CAD is going up while these are going up too. Risk on. Dollar's not even going up yet. Very risk on. Even on CAD, not ideal for that. These I just still want to see more of a deep retracement for probably for SPX, not Nasdaq. Nasdaq already pushed lower. Euro USD been slow the last 2 days? Nah, not really, bro. Euro's actually been really good. You can see that it just pushed lower, came back up, pushed lower. Last 2 days, this day was volatile, bro. It's crazy. High of week Tuesday right here when we start dropping. This might be the low of week Thursday. We want to come back down a little bit further and then start rallying higher. Who knows, you know? Hitting that inversion, maybe this is where we start dropping here. On those, this right here, I'm watching this right here. We're above that low. We're just pushing above this right here. We're hitting this actually. We're respecting it actually. Oh yeah, GU's rallying. This is where dollar dropping maybe. Nasdaq's rallying too. Maybe as soon as we came back, buy limit. How many pips would have this been? 30 handles, 30 ticks, handles, whatever. Oh yeah. Oh man. We respected that buy side hard. Even on SPX. Why do they keep showing me this? Stop showing me that. I don't see it. Big SMT. If we close above this, big SMT. I'll probably take a trade on Nasdaq. On NQ for sure if we close a little bit above. Oh yeah, we're not closing above yet. Weakness. We're above constant encroachment though. SPX will probably look a lot better. We are respecting that. Took out these lows. I want to see us come back down a little bit further. Nasdaq we're dropping. I want to see if ES reacts to this one or respects it. We are kind of respecting it on ES. I need more confirmation on Nasdaq. These we're just rallying still. Nasdaq is kind of respecting it, while ES already did. So I mean, just goes to show weakness on Nasdaq for sure. Big weakness here. We're probably gonna rally here though. On that one. If not, I don't know. So we're just pushing now. We're pushing. Yep, there we go. Confirmation. We need to close above in 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Close. Nice. Come back down a little bit. Oh, we're not getting that. The GPU is crossing the time. Where's it at? The high, yeah. We're pushing on NQ. ES is already pushing. I want to see NQ push for sure. Wouldn't be too inclined if we probably take out these highs for sure on this one. ES, probably these highs too. You know, I want to see these highs get taken out. Start retracing, I wouldn't mind either. For sure, for sure. Dun, dun, dun. Just pushing, pushing, pushing. So we're holding the inverse for now. Not really though. So I would have wanted more of a deeper retracement. Probably enter at a discount. Probably not up here. It's not ideal. But I do see us probably taking out that high for sure. These we're still rallying up on this one for sure. Thursday, man, reversal day. Thursday tends to be the reversal day. These are just chopping now. They close. I want to see that respected. This one's not even near it. This one is. I do see us coming down. Probably. This is probably how should I put it? How should I put it? 5-minute time frame. Did we create a? Yeah, we created an order block. I want to see us close above it though. I would have wanted ES to probably come down further. I'm gonna take off this alert for sure. I'm gonna take off all these alerts actually. I just wanted to see. Euro GU just pumping. Euro's not pumping. SMT, clear SMT, lower highs, higher highs. Nasdaq's dropping. These are dropping. It's kind of what I like to see. 1 hour time frame, you can just see that. You know, we need to dig deeper into a premium or discount. I mean, and then we should start going up to a premium. Here, I do see us probably closing up here, and then for the next 1 hour, we come down. Then we start pushing higher. We take out this low. Yes, we come down to at least the breaker, and then we start pushing. That's kind of what I see. Unless we want to respect this. If we don't, then probably that's my ideal scenario. Probably just stabbing into this and going. Euro dropping. This one's dropping now. I want to see if I'm gonna put dollar up here with this one right here. Dollar's still just dropping. I see us coming up further on Euro. GU already pumped up. So yeah, just clear SMT with dollar and Euro too. So we're gonna put the indices here now. See if we have an SMT here. I don't really see much. It's probably just SPX not coming further enough into the south side. I see this being probably hit and then start to rally, or maybe these lows get taken out. Either case scenario. You looking for shorts on ES? You looking for shorts on GU? So for GU, I mean, I am looking for shorts. Honestly, I am. Same for the indices, not really though. But for GU, I am. Just mainly because we're in a premium already. We took out more buy side. I'm gonna take this off though. And then we're inside that weekly buy side imbalance. I want to see us close below it. We already took out the previous week low. I want to see Euro take it out. So that's kind of why I'm a little more bearish on Euro for sure. Euro is starting to drop while this one is a lagging indicator. We came up. But for the indices, I am kind of short, but I want the indices to respect this right here, this buy side on the 15, and then start to rally, push price higher, respect it with the breaker here. We have a little breaker, and then start to rally. For sure. Same for ES. ES needs to dig deeper. I can see NQ dropping a little further. ES needs to dig deeper though. These are rallying. I want to see a more of a market structure shift here, and then probably start aiming for the previous day lows all the way down here. That is pretty far, but it is what it is, man. I gotta target those. I just want dollar start pushing. So we took out the lows here on dollar. So liquidity sweep. I would have wanted more of a deeper premium for sure. This right here, but we never came down and got into it. As long as we're respecting this, I guess doesn't matter to me. Pushing lower, GU's pushing now. I feel like this is gonna be a breaker here for him, and if we come below these lows, probably a 5-minute breaker for sure. It'll look a lot more clean. So yeah, probably a 5-minute breaker here. Push below these lows, close, and push back up and then drop. That'd be an ideal scenario, but if we want to continue lower on dollar, then I see that happening. And this one, I just need to see it come down more to that premium. NQ, I think NQ already done his job beautifully. Beautifully. I mean, you could have shorted this if you wanted to. If y'all wanted to short this, y'all could have shorted this on. It was a clear market maker sell model here. The completion would have probably been right here for me. This original accumulation, and then or your original consolidation, your second leg up, smart money reversal above these highs all right here, and then this is your first distribution phase. This is gonna be your second. So I think we might be able to take these lows too. I don't know, because the 15-minute, bro, we got a while to close. We can just come back up later on in 9 minutes. So we got some while. So yeah, hitting a breaker now. I think comes to like 50% of it. So yeah, 50% of it probably wouldn't be bad. Probably right here. I wouldn't mind it, honestly. Same thing for ES. ES is not even looking like it wants to come back. We didn't even near 50% either. Strong one is ES. I'll probably take it on ES. Yeah, go look at this chart. So we're coming back down deep onto. I think shorts would have been really good here, but for ES probably longs later. For Euro's like more of a range, more SMT there. 15-minute SMT with Euro and GU. You can just see it clearly. I'll show you right here. SMT. Right there, these highs were created, these lows. Higher lows, higher highs. This one looks stronger, this one looks weaker. You can just see it here on the 1 minute too. This one I want to see it. We're just building relatively good lows right there. It's crazy. This one we dug really deep. I want to see if ES holds its buy center balance with the breaker. It's like more of a unicorn setup. Start pushing up. And not yet. We had a little break of structure here, I guess you could say. I'm gonna want to see a market maker buy model form. I'm not gonna try to anticipate the smart money reversal yet. I'm gonna just wait for a little bit more of a range, probably till 10 o'clock. We still opening range right now, and we are still just a little bit above the midnight opening here on this one too. We're still above, so I wouldn't mind if we come back down even to below the midnight. That'll be even more ideal for me. So, on these we're above it, so that means we're in a premium. So shorting will be ideal, especially since we are bearish on these. All these shorts above here, but we don't know how far it's gonna reach up, so that's kind of why I'm just being a little bit more patient. On this one is just a very sloppy range. This one will be very more ideal. Since this one is weaker, but it did sweep previous week low, that's what I'm more skeptical about. This one hasn't. That's why I want this one to be more of a shorting opportunity and just holding this throughout the week. EuroCAD is chop fest. So yeah. Come on, chat. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. I'm watching the 15-minute time frame on my MT4. That's kind of why I need more monitors, bro. I need like at least another one so I can have this chart up there. I think that would be very ideal. And then probably have another chart for like the forex pairs and then indices. So we're dropping now. Nice. We're gonna create a little order block here if we close below this opening of this candle. If not, then no order block. Probably crypto too. Probably want to start investing into like crypto since we are bumping more. He's been more bullish lately. I do want to see a smart retracement and then probably catch that. So we're gonna have to put some money into crypto. For sure. Wouldn't mind it. I need to start watching videos on crypto. We're very inexperienced. So yeah. We're just respecting this right here. Just pushing price. Hitting the consequent encroachment. This one is about to take out the lows. All this low resistance, little high resistance here. This little news candle. Maybe we take that out for NQ. We still got a couple of minutes to close. So this would probably be an inverse. If we come back up, probably shorts. I don't know. Honestly, shorts would probably look a lot very ideal. If we don't close above this, if we close below it, all depends on how ES closes too. You know, if ES closes above, that just goes to show, you know, strength very much. NQ very sure weakness, strength, no strength, weakness. These were chilling. What do you think? What do you think is gonna happen in the next 30 minutes? It's more of a just no news either today, except for the 8:30 advanced GDP unemployment claims. You can see pretty much tomorrow's 8:30 news too. After that, there's no news honestly, and then 10 o'clock after that probably would be the one. Does that sound sus? That sounds sus? Alright, now, yeah, we gotta push. NQ got to push, man, if we want to be more bullish than bearish. ES held that consequent encroachment really nicely. ES is still holding. No, fuck it. Why don't I just put this chart over here? It's pointless having it right there. Can't even see it. There. I'm sorry if I don't read chat. I'm gonna try to check it in every like other 5 minutes. I'm really serious about trading, bro. I gotta get this shit down. So we're no SMT yet. So NQ is still below those lows. Let me show you. NQ is still below these lows. This candle's lower here. All these lows right here. Or yeah, no, we're not below these lows yet. We're still yet to tap into it. ES is dropping with NQ. ES is hitting the breaker now. NQ looks like it's gonna take out the lows. ES probably not. Honestly. Let's make another SMT chart. Oh yeah. Put this one in Euro, GU, yeah. Perfect, perfect. You're reading my mind, Trading View. Alright, so GU is still strong. Very strong. Indices, NQ looks like it's going to take out the low. ES doesn't look like it's going to take out the low. Probably take out these little internal lows. Probably not the external ones. Unless NQ drops all the way. Take out like the external low of week. Probably like the previous day low or the low of the day. Going to be seeing that for sure. Let's go on the 5 minute. I'm going to erase these little 1 minute areas. These confluences on the 1 minute. So we are taking out this low. Maybe this is the liquidity run that we needed. Let's start seeing if ES starts respecting that area to push price higher for sure. And for the Forex pairs, it looks pretty much the same here. Same old, same old. We're just chopping right now. Pretty much no really range defined area we want to have. Swept that liquidity pretty much. That's only it that I can see. We have a little sell sign of balance that we are respecting here on Euro. On the 5 minute, that's all I really see here. Nothing really much that's catching my eye. It's probably for this one. If we close below, this will probably be an order block. You can see us retracing back into the mean threshold and then dropping for Euro. It's kind of what I see. So we're gonna wait for that 15-minute candle in 2 minutes to close. We're still dropping on these, so pumping lower. And this is not really my favorite right now since you know, we did expect this move lower. It's just how it developed is really how what threw me off guard, really, you know. NQ displayed lower prices here nicely. So Euro's showing weakness. NQ is showing weakness too. SPX is showing a little strength here and there, you know. It still goes up. Not really though. Euro. I'm seeing how we close on the 15-minute right here. Look at chat real quick. Let me put this right here like that. Okay. Okay, so Euro is about to close below, and we're about to make an order block for GU. It looks like we're having a bullish order block for Euro. It looks like a bearish one. Clear SMT in the 15-minute. Why just lagging now? Not good. No goody goody in my tootie woodies. Let's go look at S&P, and indices were dropping, so pushing lower. Clear. Movement lower. I want to see if we continue lower for NQ. ES, we're just pushing lower to the breaker. We still close inside of the buy center balance here for SPX. We're holding it right now. The wicks are doing the damage on the 15. For Euro, we dropped on the 15-minute time frame. We had that breaker form, and we pretty much had that breaker there for Euro right here. So we're gonna see the mean threshold if it can come in. Probably, I mean, not the breaker, that freaking order block here. I want to see if the order block can retrace into the mean threshold and then eventually start to see lower prices. So right here, mean threshold. I'm gonna go to the 15-minute. Very nice candle on the 15. I love watching the 15. It's like a bellwether chart, like ICT will talk about. See if we can come up. If not, did respect this range for sure. We did respect it, honestly. For GU, we're gonna see that weakness come in, kick in. We're still above that up close candle here. I would want for more confirmation. Probably this little fractal low. And this inverse too. Probably this balanced price range looks really, really clear to me. We're gonna close below that and then we're gonna start pushing price higher. I mean, close below that and probably seek lower prices since we did sweep all this buy side already. Clear market maker sell model there, looks to me. So we're gonna see if Euro can push lower. Okay, so the indices were below that inverse. NQ is still yet to take out that little low that we formed our news. Oh no, we took it out. I mean, ES is still yet to take it out. Below that market maker sell model looks like it's gonna be complete here. So for the indices, I wouldn't want to trade right now. Probably for the forex pairs for sure. Euros is pumping lower. I want to see if dollars pushing now. So GU's pushing lower. We're gonna see if we can get this little market structure shift here, get a closure, and then eventually start having a dealing range, push back up on the 1 minute. 5 minute looks like we're forming a little imbalance here. We did respect this one, not institutional order flow entry drill. Just for GU, I would prefer the shorts now because Euro's just looking like it doesn't want to retrace for shorts. So probably GU to catch up, and then that's pretty much it. I want to see if we close below this and then retrace, that would probably be very ideal for us. Very ideal. Why does this news thing keep coming up, bro? I'm tired of seeing it. So on both of them, we're getting lower prices here. Very nice. GU, we're about to close below this. We're still above it actually. This inverse. I want to see it close and then eventually retrace probably. I would have preferred more of a dealing range, but we are just pumping lower now. Kind of expected, honestly. I want to see it push up and probably drop further. I wouldn't mind the retracement, honestly. Just being patient here, waiting. Patience pays for GU, honestly. Probably if not, we're gonna push lower. Probably won't find an entry here yet. Just waiting more, I guess. More of a patient game. Euro just pumping lower, catching up. GU's showing strength, not really pushing lower. Just Euro looks a lot weaker for right now. Created all these imbalances. Probably in the 5 minute we're gonna create an imbalance. For sure. GU was showing a little bit of strength. Euro just pushed lower. I want to see GU come up here, and then probably we have a little fair value up here. I wouldn't mind an institutional order flow entry drill here, honestly, since I do see this pump pushing lower on GU. Probably not as much as Euro, but yeah, no, I would prefer an institutional order flow entry drill entry if we can get one. If not, then that's perfectly fine, and we are gonna enter there. I want to see if we hit consequent encroachment though. Yeah, we hit it. So it's not really an institutional order flow entry drill. So we did hit consequent encroachment. Maybe we come up to 50% of the range. Probably a better entry there. Yeah, nah. This inverse though is hitting on the 5 minute. 5 minute we didn't close yet. Looks really bullish though. So oh yeah, no, we're retracing on both of them. Dollar looks like it's gonna be dropping. So not a really good entry. If you probably enter there, you gotta be more patient next time. Stops above the high. 1262. That's my. Alright, so we open up on the next 5 minute candle. We're dropping now. So it looks pretty crazy now. For sure, for sure. Doesn't look like we want to drop though for now. This looks a lot more relaxed on GU than EU. EU already pumped lower. I can see EU and creating an fair value gap here. So we're just respecting this, honestly. Euro's pushing up. 5 minute. I think we're gonna form a fair value gap here on Euro. That's what I was trying to talk about. GU too, maybe. And we come up, maybe we retrace into them. We start dropping. That would be a very ideal entry, but no displacement yet. We're still holding this here. So you know, I would have preferred more displacement on the 15 minute. We're barely below this order block on GU, and indices we're all pushing. We're respecting this buy side imbalance here. Now we're creating a market maker buy model. If we close above this here, this would be very ideal to see higher prices. NQ is creating a market maker buy model here. 15 minute time frame, we have not taking out those lows, but we're just holding it perfectly. So this wouldn't be a bad idea. So forex pairs, we're still holding. I don't know if I want to take a trade here. I'm not in a trade yet. I was thinking about it, but for GU, I just thought I caught myself honestly before I even entered. I was like, should we enter? It just didn't look too good, you know. As soon as we stabbed up above institutional reference draw, I didn't want to see an entry there, honestly. So yeah. So I'm watching my SMT chart. I think I'll just keep it there, man. I don't even think I want to have. I don't think I can have the chat open, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sorry if y'all are saying anything in the chat. I gotta have another chart, like an SMT chart for indices and then the forex pairs. It helps me indicate, like, it helps me just see on the 15, you know, higher time frame, I guess you can say, better prices. So the 5 minute, let's go on the 5 minute here. We're gonna be forming that fair value gap. I want to see it probably create a little bit of better one on Euro. We're gonna have a market structure shift with a fair value gap. No liquidity sweep probably these highs. Maybe that's probably the only liquidity sweep I can see. And then we retrace and probably catch a trade there. This will probably be a market structure shift right here. And then a fair value gap on the 5 minute. Not bad at all. So GU's pumping. Maybe this would have been a good trade. Who knows? Maybe not. Maybe the indices are going to offer a little bit something better. Who knows, man? Who knows? I didn't see enough movement here, and then plus we stabbed up way too high for GU, and GU is probably looking a lot stronger, and it just doesn't look too clear for me. It's a Thursday, man. Thursday low of week, reversal day. So you're clearly now with the crosshair. I think Euro just better for shorts, honestly. You probably created that fair value gap right here in 1 minute. Even though Euro's like deeper into a premium, I think we're just gonna retrace and then drop. It just looks clear. And I'll probably take that because we already got strong displacement. Go on the 15-minute chart right here. Strong displacement right here. This one never got that strong displacement yet, so that's kind of why I want to see Euro. I prefer Euro. Indices, we're still yet to push. So we're gonna erase all this real quick. We're gonna reach the mean threshold of this. The breaker. I think we're gonna run these lows probably. Not even respect this daily range. Probably run these lows on NQ. We probably already did, yeah. So this is about to be coming inverse on the 15, I think. It already did, honestly. This is inversed. So we don't see higher prices all on these now. In my opinion, I think we're just gonna retrace and play drop. ES though, probably the same thing. Yeah, no, we're still yet to close on this one. Let's see if these. Let's wait for the 5 minute. Yeah, we still gotta get what? Oh, we just opened on the 5 minute. So you're on the 5 minute. I want to see if we can catch a trade here. Probably consequent encroachments wouldn't be bad on the 5 minutes. Let's go to euro. Euro shorts. Euro shorts. Euro USD, ladies and gentlemen. I wouldn't mind if we come back down right there. It's probably the market structure shift low. I wouldn't mind it at all. Or an institutional order flow entry draw on euro. I wouldn't mind that at all. I just want to see us come up for sure. So we're gonna have a little alert set. We're gonna look at GU. GU created this little fair value gap. I already saw that. 5 minutes. Did we create a fair value up here on GU? Yeah, we did. Same thing. So same thing here. I'm gonna look for the same thing. I think GU is gonna get it before EU, of course. Indices, we're still yet to push higher. But what happens on my drawings? What is going on? Did my drawings just disappear? What? What? Crazy. That's crazy. So GU, we're pumping. Oh man, we're pumping higher on GU for sure. Here on GU, bro. That shit is pumping. Doesn't even look like it wants to drop. Okay, there we go. EU, we're still yet to even go up there. Damn, GU just looks strong as hell. Holy shit. That thing is pushing. Bro, that thing is pushing. Holy shit. Was that a premium? That was not even a premium yet. Holy shit, bro. That thing is just pushed. I mean, I can still see us dropping. Maybe using standard deviations here. 2.25 area, we're going to come and hit this. We're going to set an alert there for this 2.5 area. And then the 2 area. Standard deviation, Mr. Area, standard deviations. Euro just... damn it, Euro. God damn it, boy. Oh, yeah, we got those. Let me move inactive ones. Yeah, there we go. So we're still even yet to push up on these. I don't even think we're going to go up, honestly. 15-minute time frame on that. I think we're going to close soon on SPX. If SPX closes 2 minutes above that buy side imbalance, then I just see us pushing probably. Forex, I don't think Euro is going to come up. I think GU would have been a lot better. We're going to see how this reacts though for GU. And then, so yeah, no, if we push this inverse, probably change the set of delivery here on the 5 minute, on the 1 minute. We're going to be seeing how this reacts. So, looks like it is reacting to it nicely. It's respecting it for sure. Not bad at all, honestly. I just don't see us. I probably see us coming back down to the equilibrium of the range. And then eventually we start probably seeking higher prices for sure after that. For GPP. Since GPP is a lot stronger. We're about to hit it though. 50% of the range. If we come down a little bit further. Let me show you on the 5 minutes here. I'm measuring with this low, not the other ones. So, oh, wrong one. So right here. So right here is probably equilibrium of the range. This is equilibrium. So I see us coming down here. And probably just start seeing some retracement, I guess. So we did disrespect that inverse. You can come up now, use it as a change instead of delivery. Euro never came back. Damn it, Euro. God damn it, I had my hopes in you. I had my dreams and my ambitions in you, bro. I had everything. Hidden equilibrium. I want to see if we respect it. Sometimes we don't we respect equilibrium. We just run right through it. And that's something I like when a market maker is strong, it will disrespect that equilibrium. It will just continue pushing. So I want to see if GU does that for sure. And then we have a little 5-minute buy sign and balance here on GU too, right here below these lows, below equilibrium with that news candle that came. And it looks like we're just pushing lower. Beautiful, beautiful delivery on GU for sure. Market maker sell model there. I want to see how we come and react to that buy sign and balance. I'm watching this on the MT4 chart. So yeah, we're gonna see it beautiful delivery. GU is a lot stronger though. It just pushes lower, pushes higher. I mean, and then it just disrespects majority of the time the PDA rate and just runs right through it and just goes crazy. So we're gonna see the indices now. I think let's go look at the indices real quick. Okay, yeah, no. So we had an inverse on SPX here, inverse right here. You can see it. Inversion array. We close here. This would be very beautiful if we started just holding this, I guess, for shorts. So we start pushing for shorts here. I would have wanted a market maker buy model to be completed, probably for the indices, but I don't even think we're gonna get that. We have to do a buy sign and balance here on the weekly. That's kind of why I wanted it to be completed, but I guess that market maker sell model was a lot stronger for us. And no, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So I'm waiting for a little bit more displacement to see if we want to come back up to the inverse and then drop, or if we want to complete this and then go higher and take out these highs. It's really, hard to determine what we're going to do on the indices right now, since it's been more of that range there, more range defined, I should say. For sure. So yeah, we're just chilling right now, honestly. Just gotta be patient here, I guess. Let me see what the chat's saying. Look, Nas did a nice consequent encroachment setup for what? Nasdaq. Well, the 5-minute, 15. I don't see 1 hour. Consequent encroachment. Where? What are you talking about? What is he talking about? Consequent encroachment. I don't see nothing. I mean, you gotta be more specific. There's like, you can use the wick, consequent encroachment, buy side and balance. I don't know what you're talking about, but you gotta, and probably use time elements too. Like what time it was. New day opening gap. Oh, okay. Oh, you should have just said that. Yeah. Yeah, I respected new day opening gap. I don't think it really did respect the consequent encroachment, but like, I mean, yeah, no, it kind of did. Yeah, the bodies respected it, but the wicks did the damage for sure. So yeah, no, it did respect it. You're honestly right. It really depends on what time frame too, though, because on the 1 minute it's not gonna, the bodies did there, but the 5-minute it just respected it perfectly there. I wasn't looking for shorts, honestly. I was expecting us for like this range right here, this dealing range. I expected us to push higher to the sell center balance on the 4 hour, then drop. But again, we are a little bit more bearish on the indices here, so I see why we did this. I wasn't really expecting it. I was kind of watching more forex. I still am watching forex right now. I want to see if EU can come up into this little sell center balance here on the 5-minute, and then eventually start dropping lower and take out this area. But it is hitting this consequent encroachment. I bet I was near it, but it's not coming there yet. So I think I would be inclined for shorts here on this one, for sure. I wouldn't mind it too much if we did come up a little bit further and then start dropping. That's kind of why I have my alert set, and then probably there too. But I don't even know if we're gonna get it because euro is very, very weak. And GU is very strong right now. I'll clean up my chart a little bit. I don't want to have too much mess. So no, yeah, we already stabbed into it for GU. We hit this balanced price range. If we do go up, I would feel very sketched out, honestly. But for euro, I would prefer it, and then GU can keep going down. Euro can just go up. I don't even think we're gonna get that, honestly. It just looks very weak. Same thing for the indices. I don't even think we're gonna go up any further now, since we did close below this inverse. Maybe we come up probably 50% of this range here we created, and then probably drop further down. No, yeah, NQ already took out those lows that I was talking about. These right here, these lows, and then ES is still yet to take them out, but it's close. Right here, these lows, 730 lows. I just see ES probably taking out those lows for sure, and then dropping. I mean, going higher. 5-minute time frame. Looks like a market maker buy model forming here, but I wouldn't be entering too early on the smart money reversal here. I'm just probably gonna wait, anticipate it later on. Forex, we're still yet to drop. Dollar index, I want to see us continuing to rally. We have a big buy side imbalance we're creating here, and we have an inverse now on the 1 hour if we close above it. I wouldn't be too inclined if we come back down, and then eventually rally higher in 40 minutes if we close above it. I want to close above it for sure. I don't want to have this CB stay open, and then yeah, no, we can come back down now and then rally higher. I wouldn't mind that, honestly. That would mean euro goes up and then drops, but GU is just looking like it wants to be the one that drops yet. That hasn't dropped. I'm gonna take off this dealing range. Just standard deviation areas from this high to this low. I see us coming back down there, honestly. In Q, we're still yet to rally. SMT here, you can see it clearly. So if you can look at the photo so you understand what I'm talking about. If you can look at the photo, what is it on Discord or what? Let me open up Discord real quick. Chad, look what this member caught. A gold limit. Is that crazy or not? I think that's crazy. Shino's catching all these right here. Look at that. Crazy, right? Let's review all this real quick. So she goes places. So he caught a SPX market maker buy model here that formed. And then NASDAQ. He's trading both of the indices. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. I wouldn't even do that. And then, yeah, no, pretty clear. I think I would have got, yeah, I'll probably stop loss break even. I would have got break even probably right here at the first TP. And then TP2 stop loss. A lot of partials, honestly, a lot of partials here, bro. Like, I wouldn't take this many partials. I usually only take partials at external levels. These are kind of external levels, but these are on the lower time frame. I usually like to scale up and then find my areas of take profit. Like equilibrium of the range, and then probably equilibrium, then move my stop loss to break even there, and then the market maker completed model. So where you still yet to, damn, he caught this, really? She looks crazy. She looks crazy, guys. And then with stupid entry level, to be freaking honest, need to work on this. Should have played on the second entries, the BPR, line up with the golden zone, like an OTE model, I guess. Oh, so for the indices, hold on, we're still yet to drop. Forex, we're going up. For euro, I want to see euro after this. We look at this real quick. So yeah, pretty good moves. Close some positions early. Oh, new day opening gap. So it's unbalanced. I held it. No, yeah, I did respect it, honestly. Who is this? I never heard of I. And then he caught this right here. Stop loss to break even. After that, I would have got stopped out with spread. Good trades, honestly. You just joined the Discord. That's why you're new. I forgot. I didn't see that. Let me close up Discord. So yeah. Let's see. Also sending the community charts. Yeah, no, I saw. Don't worry. So let's see for euro. We're still yet to go up. GU. We're respecting this, I guess. Honestly. Alright, no. Let me stop. Balance price range respected on the 1 hour. This would have been a beautiful trade here on Euro CAD. I would have took this here, man. I saw this, ladies and gentlemen. We anticipated this earlier. We saw what we put these lows out. You don't believe me? Go back and stream. I just waited for a discounted price. It came down OTE. We came too low below this order block, and then we rallied higher. I wouldn't have wanted to take in that because dollar wasn't inside of a discounted range for me, so that's why that didn't take it. But dollar can rally. Dollar can come back down into this and then eventually rally higher for sure. Indices, I'm looking. What are y'all looking for? Bro, getting zesty. Hell yeah, I'm getting zesty, bro. I'm just tired of looking at these charts. I'm looking at these charts for what? Like, how long have I been streaming? Let me look. For an hour and 19, bro. Like, you acting like you wouldn't get zesty right now, bro. Like, if you've been staring at the charts for an hour and 19 minutes, but now not even moving, you wouldn't get zesty, bro. Like, talking to yourself and then the stream, I guess. Like, you wouldn't get zesty. I would get zesty, bro. Like, no face cam on right now. I can't stream with face cam on, bro, because I be doing some zesty stuff too. I'm not even gonna lie. It's like I can't let y'all see that while I'm trading. I gotta let y'all be focused, you know. Focus on the charts, not me. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to better y'all, you know. Like I'm doing it for the benefit of y'all. That's pretty much it, you know. Like you know, like I won't even like whenever like is she really my type? You know what I'm saying? Like I really don't mind if me and her, you know what I'm saying, we get something going. You know what I'm saying? Like it really just the connection that really come in. You know what I'm saying? Like that's how it be sometimes. You know what I'm saying? I'm just playing, guys. I'm just playing. I'm just joking here. I'm just trying to sound like Lil Baby. Let me focus though real quick. So forex pairs. We look like we're about to create a SIBI. Looks like a 15 and then the 5-minute SIBI for Euro is gonna get retapped into. I think this 15-minute SIBI is gonna be respected more. Honestly, it just depends on how much lower we drop and then how much we retrace. It looks like we're gonna retrace though, for sure to me. Honestly, it looks clearly clear. Because we're just time distorting right now. Really, nothing really else we're doing on these pairs, unless we start dropping now, honestly. But you know, we're better create a doji candle in the 15 here for GU, and then for EU looks like it wants to be a bullish candle. So you know, I just see us going up probably and then eventually dropping after that. These right here, sloppy price action. See what y'all are saying. If you look at the NAS, it was a market maker style model, but also the new day opening gap, breaker, order block for value gap, and a market structure shift. Perfect model in my opinion. So let's go look at NAS and let's see what he was talking about. So he said here there was a fair value gap, okay, a market structure shift. This kind of could have been an order block. I can see that. And then eventually he probably was talking about this right here as a breaker. So close below it, rallied higher. This would be your breaker here, and we respected it, of course. So he is correct. That would be a beautiful model. The wicks did the damage. The bodies told the story. Honestly, that was a very, very beautiful model here on NASDAQ. He is correct, ladies and gentlemen. Even though we bounced off the buy side here, and then eventually we ran through it with a sell side seeking what liquidity. He is correct. You are honestly correct. You deserve an 100 right there on your test for ICT concepts. Honestly. So Euro's crossing that trend line. We're gonna see now if Euro can. God damn it, Euro! You gotta dig deeper than that, man. Come on, bro. Like, if you're gonna hit an imbalance on a soul side imbalance on the 5-minute, you gotta dig deeper, but you gotta push up into there and then push down lower. Come on. We're not into a deep premium yet. I would want a deep premium for sure on Euro. At least, yeah, this is kind of a premium here. Not really too much for sure. Maybe these up here would have been a better shorts up here. As soon as we saw this right here, a little turtle soup entry with these up here, you can see that big downside movement. That would have been very, very beautiful. For GU, maybe probably taking out this high and then hitting that. For sure. They're gonna take off. I'm gonna leave that. We're rallying higher. We already had that market structure shift there for GU indices. Indices we're pushing now. Honestly, I can see us probably going to 50% of this range we create. If we do create one. Oh, wrong one. Let's see this real quick. See this right here. Sorry, chart. I'm not looking at the. So I think we can go probably long and then go short if we want to catch both sides of the market, because we have a sell side imbalance here on the indices. So probably shorts would be very ideal on the 15-minute, even with the whatchamacallit, right here. I think that would probably be the best case scenario, since it is like more of a balanced price range here. Inverse PD arrays, we can use that honestly to target these lows if you want to continue lower. So maybe the market maker buy model is incomplete here. Maybe we don't form it. So I'm gonna want to see how we just react. We react. If we react lower, then we push lower. If we react higher, we react higher. I want to see Euro though. Euro's pushing. This is more. I think shorts here would be very ideal for Euro. Very beautiful price action. We're above what? We're about to be above it. Come on, get above it right here. Come on, just come up into this one maybe and then start dropping. Just having patience here pays. Patience pays, ladies and gentlemen. As I stated once again, patience pays. I think this type of trade, I'll probably hold it for. On the 15-minute, we're actually better create another SIBI. So I think I might even wait for that. I might even wait for the 15 one. What are y'all looking for right now? What type of trade are y'all looking for? What type of trade are y'all looking for? Is it in the indices right here, these shorts maybe, from this outside imbalance on the 5 minute? Y'all looking for these shorts, or are you looking for these longs here on NQ to go to 50% and then rally, or are you looking for EU shorts? Maybe, you know, as soon as we come up a little bit more and then we start dropping, that's what you're looking for, or you know, what are you looking for? See this right here, this little fractal thin range. So yeah, probably the discounted of that. I'm not gonna use that external high because I don't even see us going up there anymore. I don't even see us using this as a range anymore. I'll probably use it for like the overall range because that is overall high. So we are respecting this right here. Came up into it again for GU, bro. GU just, god damn, you're strong, GU. Okay, oh, we open up a 15 minute. I want to see EU stab up into that 5 minute Sibi. 15 minute, I mean, damn, what am I talking about? 15 minute Sibi here. Just come on, stab up into it, baby. Come on, baby. Stab up into it. Come on. We can get some shorts, maybe. Got a market maker sell model here that's completed. Come on, baby. Come on, give me some. Come on, go up a little bit. What is this alert? Let me get this shit off. It look like my consequent encroachment. Consequent encroachment is not there yet. Come on, just go up, bro. Come on, bro. Come on. Why you dropping? Why you dropping? Come up right here. Right here would be ideal. And then damn it, Euro. Euro just pissing me off. I think GU. I'm gonna just short GU right now. I'm just put 20 lots in short. I'm just playing, guys. I wouldn't do that. Still rallying on these. There's a market maker buy model here. This one's clear for sure. We had a little institutional order flow entry draw right here, just and we're rallied. These are dropping. Damn it! I think GU would have been a lot better, honestly. We're just gonna see. If we disrespect this, I'll take GU shorts, honestly. Cause Euro just is not even offering it for me, man. I'm trying to be patient, but Euro just can't even offer me this shit. It's making me mad, honestly. Pissing me off how Euro just moving right now. Come on, Euro, you just gotta go up one more. Come on. I guess it's power 3 on the 15. When we just go down a little bit, and we create that high, and then we just close. Maybe the 5 minute. No, we're just pumping lower. Damn it. So maybe this was right here was probably the reason why. Just probably this lower quadrant. We just respected it really nicely. Let's see if we disrespect this. So probably GU shorts would have been a lot. I think I might take GU shorts if we disrespect this sell sign balance here. You know, I'm tired of this shit. Why does this news keep coming up, bro? I don't want to see this news on my chart. This little pop up here on the news is coming up. It's pissing me off. GU never hit it right. No, we never hit that. Euro either. GU did. Oh, GU did respect this 15-minute order block here. I forgot about it right here. This big up close candle. Did respect it, bro. Something I need to watch out for. GU is respecting it perfectly here. We close below. We have another one right here. So I'll probably push from this one to that one. That'd be so ideal, honestly, for GU. And then I'll probably take shorts on GU because EU just not even offering it, bro. EU's not even though I don't want short GU, I'll probably have to short it. I don't want to, bro, for sure. You know, like who wouldn't want to short GU right now? It's not even ideal to short it. But just EU never offered that, bro. I'll try to be patient. Look at that, it's moving now. This one's gonna move too, I bet. We're gonna push lower. This one does look stronger. That's kind of why I don't want to short it. It looks very strong. This one looks very weak. I would have preferred this one. But we're not getting it, man. We're not getting the trade idea. Bro, daily and intraday bias is burning my ass up. Can you show me the tutorials, not the images, bro? Help. Images? What do you mean images? Daily bias is tearing your ass up. How do you... Again, bro, like, if you watch my charting video, I explained how you can find your daily bias. Even like your weekly bias. If you really watch it. If you go into the charting section, you see how I find it. And I review that every morning. As soon as I wake up, I go and look at my phone at my charting. If I'm walking my dog, if I'm about to take a shower, I'm about to brush my teeth, I'm just reviewing it. You know? And that's how I remind myself of what I'm looking for. And I go into the charts now. And boom, I see what I'm looking for. It came to where I wanted it to come. And then I just wait for the execution. The lower time frame executions are my worst flaw, honestly. Everything else is perfect. Everything else is perfect. How to find my bias, what I'm looking for, everything. It's just the lower time frame. This 1 minute candles mess me up the most, bro. They do the most damage. They hurt me. They hurt my emotions. They hurt everything. They just do the most damage, bro. Like, I don't know what else to tell you. We have a little sibby here. We are holding it. Maybe this is where we drop here on GU. I don't know. Maybe not. This is an institutional order flow in Jerome. Kind of. We didn't go above it, I guess. Kind of. Not really. I want more of a deep premium. Come back up and then drop for sure. I can see this being used as a standard deviation area for sure. Since we didn't take out the high. So not really. We're in a discount. I can see us coming back up and then dropping for sure. That would be a very ideal entry. If we don't, then I see this inverse and probably using this as a means to enter. Let's go look at the indices. Indices were dropping as expected from the SIBI. This inverse became a change in the state of delivery, and we probably didn't respect it as much. Euro, we never came back up. GU, we're just dropping now. USD CAD, we're rallying higher. Is there a playlist or something, bro? What? If you haven't watched ICT, I think you should watch. I don't know. Have you watched ICT? It's more of like using this concept to find your daily bias. So we're just pumping lower. I want to see this one pump. Beautiful, 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 beautiful pump. Pump, 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 pump. Comes in standard deviation area. Pump, 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 pump. Pump, hey, baby. Pump, hey, baby. Come on, baby. Push lower, baby. Lower, baby. Push lower, baby. I don't want to see you push lower, baby. Push lower, baby. Oh, we're pushing higher. Okay, I kind of see that happening here. For GU. Euro, we're just pushing higher now. Honestly, not bad. Not a bad timing. I want to see us go lower though on GU. We're just pushing higher into the sell sign balance. I think I would have missed my entry here now. If we don't hold it, then I'll probably not enter. For sure. If we do hold it right now, I'll see. I want to see rejection and then probably close below in this one, then I'll probably enter. Okay, now we're getting rejection. I'll probably enter right here. No, actually, I'm gonna wait till this candle. I want to see it push lower. Okay, yeah, now I want to see if I can enter. We're gonna see the higher time frame. Higher time frame looks like it's respecting a buy sign balance on the 30-minute. I just want to see more push lower, push lower, push lower. For sure, we're not pushing lower, so it's not very ideal here to go long and short yet. Probably wait. But these news things keep popping up on my thing. It's not. Oh, I'm not getting annoyed, but it is kind of annoying. I won't lie. Shit is very annoying. GU, we're holding strong. Doesn't look good for me. To short here, since we are holding inside of it. That's kind of what I'm watching right now. I don't want to see it hold. Honestly, it doesn't look very ideal to hold. We're just holding it. I'm not gonna try to take a short yet. I want to see more displacement. That's what I need. I need to break below these lows. We're using this as an inversion now. You can see it, or yeah, as an inverse. Doesn't look too good, honestly. I want to see push, 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 push. Honestly, we're getting that now. I need to see more downside movement. Create this as an order block, then I'll kind of see if I want to enter. Just measuring the order flow, I guess, is kind of the best thing we can do here. If we don't disrespect this, then it's not very ideal to enter. Honestly. Honestly. 15-minute time frame. We're still not dropping yet. On Euro, I wanted to create an order block, but we're not getting that. We never came up into the SIBI, so we might come up and do that as of right now. But we're not doing anything yet, so I'm not going to enter anything. It just doesn't look really clear to me, honestly. No, yeah, it just doesn't look clear to enter right now, bro. This entry wasn't I mean, it wasn't bad if I would have entered, but I just don't even see us probably entering there, especially with Euro. I watch ICT daily intraday bias, single most thing I couldn't understand. He doesn't talk straight, that's why. I think you should watch TT trades, how to find daily bias. I think that's the best. There, we took off the news notification. I think that's the best thing you can do, bro. If you want to find something like simplified, I guess. All right, so we're pushing up into a sell sign of balance here on the not yet though, we're about to. I think that's where I would find my entry, especially on Euro for sure here. This is probably where we get our entry since we're pushing higher. Again, I want to see it push above these and then probably a consequent encroachment and then enter. So it does seem like we're forming a breaker though on the 1 minute. It looks scary. Indices, we're still dropping. I wouldn't even take a trade there. We're about to hit London close. We're about to hit a macro perspective. A macro actually, I mean 10:50, 11:10 right here. Time window, probably where I'll enter the trade. So yeah, no, we're just chilling. Watching the higher time frame. I'm sorry if I'm not reading chat as much. It's because I have two charts open. One right here and then the other one right here. And then, you know, this right here is on the other screen. So I don't want to have, I want to have two charts open. One minute and then another one like the 15 with SMT. I think that's something I was lacking in my trading. Like SMT, something I was lacking, honestly. So for GU, I think we're already hitting it. Let me take off all these levels. I'm sorry, guys. I get really sloppy. My stuff is getting really sloppy. 5 minute. What is this? 15 minute order block. Yeah. Let me take off all these levels, bro. So on the 15 minute, let's write down that. Just write this, put this down like that. Oh, but I didn't mean to do that. We had an institutional order flow entry drawn. We have a 5 minute market. Oh, right here. 5 minute market structure shift here. We got that. So this confirmation for trade here would be very valid to me. On GU, of course, and EU. If EU comes up, then okay, yeah, EU we're rallying up. We got a 5 minute market structure shift, rallying up, pushing up into it. So I'm gonna see if we can short EU right now. That's kind of what I'm been wanting to do. So I'm gonna enter, not too much though. I'm not gonna risk too much. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now, right there. So we entered right now. We're gonna be patient. The trade doesn't pan out, yellow. My stop loss is above. Where's it at? This high right here, this candle. So I would have put it up here. Shit's way too huge though. It's just way too huge. Plus, it's near a breaker or for a value gap. Order block. So, start entry. I'm gonna target right here. This will be our first target for sure. First partial. And yeah, if we get it wrong, we get it wrong. I don't really care. I didn't use good risk management here. What's 62 pipettes, 6.2. 6.2 pips for Euro. Means that I should have risked like one lot. I did a little bit lower than that. I didn't even do a lot. I did 0.75. So yeah, no, we're just chilling now, honestly. Not really worried about the trade here. 54.84. My stop loss on MT4. 54.84. Big stop loss. Do I get this trade right? Who knows? We're in the market maker hands. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't think I can do anything anymore. I already entered, so 53.306 partial. So we're just in the market maker hands, honestly. We're just watching this react to the sell side imbalance. Pushing lower. I'm just not even gonna look at the P&L. I'm not even gonna look at it. Alright, I'm just looking at the price action chart on the 15 minute. Hopefully y'all didn't enter, you know. I don't want y'all to enter, that's why. I don't want y'all to have financial advice from me. Please don't use my financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, like I stated. I want to see all these inverses get ran through, probably push this and push lower. I'll take a partial here, honestly. Wouldn't mind it. And then probably a final partial, probably down there. What would this be? 1 to 2. Yeah, I'll probably aim for that, honestly. As a final take profit, honestly. I wouldn't even probably take a partial. I'll probably want to stop loss break even if we break below 50% of this range. For sure. So yeah, now if we push below 50%, close below this, push stop loss break even, Or I might even move my stop break even now. I think it's too soon though, so I'm gonna wait for this candle to close and then probably move it. I'm not gonna probably take a partial. Okay, yeah, no, I see. This is why I want to move my stop loss. Yeah, it's too soon. And we're just gonna have it there for ready to put it up there. As you can see, more downside movement. We are hitting that inverse. We did close below it. I want to see more lower prices here. Probably in the next candle. I don't want to see us keep pushing higher. I think that gives me bad movement indication. So EU is still, I mean, GU is still yet to drop here. We can see GU is still yet to drop. I want to see it push lower. EU is respecting it. I like that little doji candle. So I'm gonna measure the consequent encroachment and see where you can probably retrace. So I'll be skeptical of there. I'll probably move my stop there if we hit that. So yeah, here we have clear SMT. We're still yet to push lower. I'm waiting. We're still just reacting higher. This is kind of not scaring me, but I don't want to move my stop loss yet. I want to see this close below this, and then I'll probably move it. That'll be 3 PD arrays, one right here, one right there, and then probably this one right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then this order block too, but again, then we'll probably be out from spread. So we're gonna just wait for 10 seconds, 8 seconds now. We're just managing this trade. I'm trying to manage it really well and give it time, and give it its peace, its patience here. So we're about to hit break even, or all right, moving it risk free now. If we do get stopped out, we're in the market maker hands. So it is what it is. I'm gonna have my final take profit probably down right here in this kind of wick on the 5 minute. We came close to it, never broke it. Stop losses at break even. 15-minute candle, we're just pumping lower. I want to see us continue to pump. I don't want to see us come back to the fair value gap anymore, since we took out highs and then we dropped. So I want to see an immediate rebalance right here, but we're not getting that. Come on, come on, come on. No, this is not looking too good. Looks like we're about to go up and probably get stopped out, which is, I mean, it doesn't really bother me, honestly. But I would have liked if these inverse got respected. Probably this one right here. I'll probably see this one get respected, honestly. If we don't, then it is what it is, honestly. I don't really care. I do care, but it's just not really going to bother me anymore. I think I just need to work on my trade management. That's another thing. Probably stop loss placement, trail. So GU is just rallying into that imbalance, so we might get stopped out here. Yeah, no, we got 2 doji candles. Looks like we might get stopped out for this trade. On the MetaTrader, looks like, yeah, no, it looks like not yet on EU, but on GU probably if we would have entered there. EU looks a little weaker, but GU just digging deeper. Okay, well, now we're rejecting it on GU. Not really though. We're just still pushing inside of it, like the consequent encroachment. EU is looking like it wants to push up there too. Maybe stop me out. Damn. So I'll probably get stopped out here. I want to see if we can. I don't think we will get a re-entry if we do get stopped out. I think I'll just leave it as a break-even trade and then call it a day. Honestly, what if we do win? I don't know how to feel if we win. I think I'll just journal it and then I'll move on, honestly. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I want to see this trade push. I'm just trying to be patient. GU is just really throwing me off, honestly. EU is dropping lower, while GU is just pumping up. It's very skeptical for me. I'm kind of glad I moved my stop loss to break even. Okay, oh, the indices were pushing. Let's get the indices. Indices were pushing higher. Look at that, perfect delivery to the upside with the market maker. Little buy model here. This right here, this kind of threw me off, honestly. Came up. This is more of a breaker here. Come back down, use this as an inverse and push price higher. You can do that. GU, just look at that. EU is not there yet, so we might get stopped out here. Look at this, it's just beautiful delivery to the upside. This one is pumping lower. I don't think we're gonna hold this inverse on the 1 hour. If we're holding it as a sell side imbalance, we're just gonna rally probably higher for the forex pair. So I see myself getting stopped out here, maybe just because dollar is showing weakness. I'll probably take a partial here, just secure some, and then have some for the break-even stop, because the commission really throws me off, or makes me lose more than I should have, even though I shouldn't be even losing with a break-even trade. So I'm just taking a little partial there to put us up a little bit for the break-even commission, especially on the forex pairs. Commission is not the best on these, honestly. I don't like it. Shit makes me mad, honestly. So for indices, I want to see if we drop on the indices, but we're not gonna get that probably. What do y'all think we're gonna get on the indices? Just took short on EU. Yeah, me too, bro. EU shorts. I'll have my stopper break even right here. I just want to see it push lower. GU is just not even pushing lower. SMT here, you can see these lower highs. These ones created lower lows. So I want GU to just start pushing lower. I already took a little partial. If we get stopped at break even, I'll still be up, honestly, because of the commissions. But no, overall, I'm just gonna hold it to the final take profit, even if we get to it, probably down here. What is it, down here maybe? I think it was down here. I think. See, down here, yeah, probably down there. You think we're gonna continue to drop, or you think we're gonna rally higher before we start dropping? I'll see if I can get a re-entry. Honestly, I wouldn't mind it, but we already swapped liquidity internal. I don't want to see us go back higher and sweep more. We are respecting the discount though, so I'm just putting that into consideration. And then G users rallying, dollars, still pumping, not as much as I would like. So GUs, I think we're gonna get stopped out here probably. If we hit this order block, the spread should probably get us out. Damn, bro, it's the worst feeling ever. Just holding a trade like this, and then having high expectations for it. Just waiting for it all day, honestly. I was just waiting for it. $15-minute, there's like 2 doji candles on the 15. It's like sellers are just weak, buyers are strong on the 15-minute candle, it looks like. Especially for GU. GU just pumping up. I see Euro probably going up. And then stopping us out here in 3, 2, 1. We got stopped out. There we go. All right, so minus 150 plus 3, so $4.50. And then we took a partial. So yeah, we made up for it. Pretty much a break-even trade there. So I'm gonna journal this right here later. And then yeah, I'm just waiting now. I'm gonna see GU just pumping up. I think GU is gonna make this as an inverse sell sign imbalance. And we're just gonna pump up before, I guess. I guess Thursday low of week was already created, and we're just gonna pump even higher. I'll kind of shift my direction towards the indices now, since that market maker buy model is looking almost complete on NQ. I mean, or yeah, SPX. NQ is not really. So we're gonna see if we can get a little long on NQ before we start going to the upside more. I want to wait. I want to see if we can get an entry around somewhere around here of the range. Maybe use an inverse array. Probably this rare. If we come back down to there, institutional. Or the Flunchy drill right here, probably. On NQ, we're gonna see if we can get that. If not, we're gonna continue to rally, but I can see it just rallying up further and further. Completing the market maker buy model like ES is about to complete it. So I want to wait for NQ to probably get a long, and then just probably like a high frequency scalp. For sure. We still got what? Well, how many? 7 minutes. I can see this. Yeah, 7 minutes. 7 minutes. 15-minute. Even if we close above that, that would be a very good indication for me. So my EU shorts got stopped out, man. Sad day, you know. Sad day to be alive. We're digging deeper. I'm gonna continue to watch it probably. We're taking out this high. I'm just measure the order flow with the highs for sure. Clean this up. I need to clean this chart up for sure. See NQ is probably coming down. NQ's not coming down. So until NQ comes down right here, I'm probably, we'll see if we can take a long. Real bummer, honestly. What is this? What is this time from here? It's equilibrium. Forgot. Move that back. Real bummer, honestly. Probably should have just took a trade here, honestly. I can see us coming back to 50% maybe. Not really though. I think we're just gonna continue to pump. We see dollar push up. We're not getting that yet. We're just dropping. So yeah, I don't think we're gonna get it. I think we just take a break even day, honestly. I wouldn't mind it, honestly. I'm gonna go to the restroom real quick. we're not getting that yet. So just gonna be patient. I'm not gonna take a trade here on NQ. Even if we come back down to a little discounted range, I'm still probably won't take it. ES is kind of retracing now. I would prefer trade on ES for sure, since ES is a lot stronger. So I'm still gonna be watching this. I'm still gonna leave this to the side here. So yeah, we're just gonna chill. Break even trade, risking near like 0.5%, not even 1%. That's kind of why I said I did down the risk. You know, because of the S&T. So Euro is respecting the sell side imbalance while GU is not. And Q alerted me, so I want to see if ES can drop further. Probably not. Market structure shift. A little deeper of a retracement here, probably on NQ sooner or later. And take the short. Institutional order floor entry drill maybe might be respected on the 5-minute. Then we start to rally. I just don't even want to take a trade. I'm not even interested. Not even interested in taking a trade here today. My shorts would have been on EU, but we're still above it. It's just clear SMT or GU. GU just clearly above it. Using it probably as an inverse in what, 3 minutes? So yeah, next 3 candles. If we don't drop on this one, probably inside of it. Then I see us not going any further. Lower. Institutional order flow entry draw there. On NQ just respected it. How much of a move was this? 12.5 bit ticks, 12 little handles, 3 handles. So conversion. So ES to NQ is ×4, ×3. So Euro's still respecting that. Euro's respecting the sell side imbalance perfectly. Our entry would have been still there with the stop above here. We would have been still in the trade. Break even twice right here. Kind of glad I moved my stop to break even, man. It just alleviated that uncertainty with GU. Trevor, did you see that? Trevor, did you see that? Trevor, come here, Trevor. What are you doing, Trevor? What are you doing, Trevor? Trevor, what are you doing, buddy? Come over here and give me a hug, boy. Come here, boy. Give me a hug, boy. Come here, Trevor. Give me a hug, boy. You know I'm your friend. You know we're good friends, Trevor. You know we never been like that. We never hated each other, Trevor. We've always been real good friends, Trevor. Come on, Trevor. Come here, boy. Best buddies for life, boy. What are you talking about? Trevor, what are you talking about? We've been best buddies for life, man. Come on, man. Come on. Don't be like that, Trevor. We've been best buddies for a while now. Don't. Why are you showing the world we're not best buddies, Trevor? We've been best buddies for a while. Come on, Trevor. Oh, NQ is rejecting that sell side imbalance on the 15. Just looks clear. Just rejected it. ES is back inside of it, so not even back inside of it. It's more like an inverse for ES. So I can see NQ being weaker, and then ES belly dropping, and then ES coming back and using that as an inverse to push price higher, and then taking out the high to complete the market maker model. Yeah, that's pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, Yeah, no, NQ created a little bearish breaker here for it's creating a bullish breaker, honestly. If we go above, close above that high in the market maker model, I can see it. So probably my direction will be shifted towards ES if we come lower. It's just a very hard day, I guess. Today's probably the hardest day of the week for me. Tuesday's probably the hardest day of the week, honestly. So I don't even want to watch that. I'm probably watching ES. Watch this right here. This is perfect. Perfect, perfect. Perfect here, ladies and gentlemen. Come back down right there. The 15 to 5 minute clear. 1 minute. We got to see this come back and then start pushing price higher. I'm going to watch that. In a Q, I want to see it come back down to a discount. Probably this breaker here. So we're going to see it come right here to this breaker right here. I don't even want to see this consequent encroachment on this. It's way too deep into what a premium or equilibrium. So for GU, I think we close. Yeah, we close already above it. Use it as an inverse. I just don't know which direction we're going in. For these right here, I can just see where we're going. Looks clear here on these indices. For the Forex pair, not really though. Let's take off crosshair. I don't want to see crosshair on this. Sorry, I don't want to see my crosshair over there. Why is it still showing the crosshair here? But not on this one. It's mad weird, but I should never turn it on. Okay, yeah. So for ES, we're just rallying higher. US CAD, we're hitting a little imbalance here. So I want to see if we respect mean threshold and start to push price higher. If not, take out the low. That's what I'm watching here on CAD too. This goes to show, you know, if dollar has strength, we'll go up. Dollar has weakness, we go down. Pretty much. That 1 hour, we're still yet to close on it. Oh yeah, we respected the civvy. Again, this is kind of what I wanted for dollar to come down and come into a discount of the range and then hit these PDA rays and start to rally. I guess, you know, I was kind of correct. So I'll be looking to see if we can long, not GU, but probably Euro. Euro will probably be a better long if we switch our bias here now. Not even go short. For GU, I'd probably want to see this become an inverse and then probably start to push price higher. Maybe find a 5-minute inversion array. Probably this order block here. We just push price higher now. For indices, I'm looking to see the ES trade lower. If we measure 50% of this range now. Love using daily ranges for sure. You can see that. Probably consequent encroachment. So NQ is crossing into the breaker. So we're hitting equilibrium for NQ. For NQ, we are kind of respecting the CIBI. It's not an inverse yet. For ES, it kind of is. So I wouldn't mind if ES came down more, and then probably we could get a little entry there for some longs and inverse array on the 15-minute. It would be not bad. Let's see if we can find. I guess we already stabbed through it, but I would prefer a deeper one. Deeper tap into it for sure. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. I wouldn't mind it. We just dug deeper, and yeah, no, just pretty much dug deeper, probably into this fair value gap. Then we started to push price higher. Not like this. This is a baby deep, baby dig. I want to see a bigger deep. I want to catch the deepest retracement we can get. If we don't get it, then of course, by all means, it doesn't matter to me. So yeah, just chill. Wait. We got 8 minutes, 6 seconds. The candle's volume died down. Looks like buyers are really stepping in here. We just want to see, you know, see bearishness still. So looking a little bullish. Just the algorithm taking its time, I guess. NQ is respecting that sell side imbalance. A little sell side balance here, you can see. NQ is just deep into the discount now. Probably start to see highly higher. Probably, okay, ES might not go up there or down here because NQ is already into a discount, so I can see why I would have just preferred it, honestly. So I wouldn't mind it, honestly. Yes, come on, come back down here. It's a little bit deeper, okay. Yeah, we're getting that now. We're hitting the inverse array on the 15 minutes. We're stabbing through it. We can't even like get out of it, honestly. We're just stabbing through it. Seems like we're gonna create a 15-minute probably fair value up here if we go higher now. It's a little bit above this balance price range. If we close above it, then I see us probably making another fair value gap. So we're having an immediate rebalance right now. We're just pushing into the consequent encroachment of the inverse, of course. So we're not getting any rejection yet. So NQ is probably deep into a premium or discount, I should say. We're just gonna be patient here. It looks like a market maker sell model forming, and then it looks like the market maker buy model might not be complete on the buy model, I should say. Looks like we just want to make it more, I don't know, just seems like it's like a sell model now kicking in, especially after hitting the order block on the 15 minutes. What are y'all seeing right now, chat? Five-minute, we have a sell side imbalance lower, or buy side imbalance lower on the 5-minute here. Where's it at? Right here. So we'll probably come down deeper and then probably go higher. Probably like an OTE trade, but the 15-minute looks clear for takeoff. We're looking clear for takeoff bars. So we're just gonna wait, see if we can get any signs of means to push price higher. I think it's more. Today's more of like a back range day. It's like a range bound day. You can see it clear. She looks ass, honestly, pretty ass. Forex ass, and these are probably like the best bet now, honestly. Just Forex looking like it's ass. So we're about to get. I guess the macro already has been hit. This right here is 1050 through 1110. Looks like we're about to complete it in the next minute. So. Just, I don't even think I want to take a trade on anything right now. It just looks shit. Looks like shit. It's back and forth movement. Honestly, bro, this shit looks ass. Today's Thursday, low of week. Thursday weekly profile here. Continuing to drop. I guess we don't even want to rally anymore. It's like multiple balanced price ranges. You can see that. This shit's ass, bro. Like we're just going to be back and forth all day. Like no clear indication. I would have wanted higher prices for these for sure. Higher prices come back up. Not getting that now. I guess low week was created already. I want to see us push higher, retrace higher. We're not getting that though. We're not getting that push higher for any of this shit. Forex, we're just demolishing, bro. We're demolishing here on GU. Just slowing down. Looks like shit. Euro. U short's not really valid anymore. I'll leave that there for journaling. Take a demo here. See what happens. Stop loss below right here. Take profit up here. Clean this up here over here. NQ is hitting the low we already took out. SPX hitting the sell side imbalance. We're hitting, the buy side imbalance we ran through, made it an inverse. We're hitting that right now. We just have multiple sell side, inversion arrays here. Looks like a bad day to even be trading, honestly. Especially if you're in this. Probably the morning session, as soon as market open, would have been probably the best trade. Now it just looks like shit. Hopefully, y'all are not taking the trade right now. I'll recommend demo if y'all are trying to take a trade. Just demo for sure. I feel like this one's gonna take out the lows clear, bro. It should look like it wants to just drop, probably. Let's see if we get that point. 75. No, we didn't even come to 75. It's not OTE entry yet. It's not OTE. So this right here. Got ran through, but then respected now. We got 4 minutes till we close on ES. On ES. EA Sports. It's in the game. Looks like a market maker buy model, maybe. Just too many market maker models, man. I'm getting confused at this point. Getting confused, boy. Still got what? How many minutes? 4 minutes till we close. On the 15. I want to see if we close inside that sell side imbalance or that buy side. I mean the inverse. Damn, I keep mixing it. It's the inversion array. I mean, close inside the inverse fair value gap. For SPX or ES. In Q we use it as a sell side imbalance. That's why we're dropping. We hit into a premium and then we dropped. For ES in Q we hit into a premium too and then we dropped. In Q is reacting to the low we swept from 730, I think, near 730. That prominent low, we're just bouncing off of it for NQ. ES, we're just dropping now. Seems like if we close below these 3 up close candles on ES, then we're gonna make it an order block. So yeah, nah, just this trade might have to be reversed if we don't close in the 15-minute inverse here. I don't even think we're gonna get near it. We're just pumping lower for sure. So the little demo trade might be invalidated, so that's kind of why I took it. On demo, I want to see if we were gonna be long. Euro shorts are still not kicking in yet. I mean, it's holding, but like it's not really showing us signs of rejection yet. So I'm not too inclined to take it yet. I'll probably get it again in there. This euro looks a lot weaker, bro. I want to see dollar push up lower. I mean, shit's inside of the imbalance again. Come on, bro. Just push lower already, man. Stop wasting my time. Come on. This one's better to get stopped out. Move our stop loss right here. Move our stop loss right before we get stopped out. It's the best thing you can do. I'm just joking. Don't ever do that. Leave your stop loss where you originally put it. Put mine right here. Probably gonna get stopped out the spread. Take the L, bro. Take the L, bro. Just take the L. You know what I'm saying? He was meant to take the L. He was meant to take the L. US CAD. We might rally off of that order block there, as we stated earlier in the 15. If we hold above it, we close the next 2 minutes. Damn, so I just need to work on my entry confirmations, bro. Just work on these entry confirmations. Just like catching myself before I even enter a trade, and just like that demo trade. I should have called myself before I even entered, bro. Like, even if it's demo, bro. Like, come on. I gotta still be A1, bro. I gotta be on my shit. You know? I think I'm entered right around here, I think. Mid invert. I think, wait. I was right here for sure. I entered right here. I started rejecting. Next 1 minute candle. OTE entry for sure. It came back to OTE, watch. Yep, sitting LTE. Digging deeper though, probably gonna get stopped out. Oh my god, bro, it's a market maker stall model. We should have seen it. It's gonna complete the low. We're gonna take this out, take our stops out. Take this out already, come on, yeah. Should have seen that sooner, you see? Basically, market maker stall model completed. Low demo trade was invalidated right here, especially if it didn't even hold this. I wanna clean my chart so bad, like just hit the remove all. I just see us taking out the low 2 on NQ, complete the market maker stall model. What's the E? This is ENQ, yeah. It's a nice little rally we had, but I just see us completing this. It's a range bound day now after this movement down lower. Probably went to like 50% as expected, and then we reversed. Respected the 50% out. We reversed, created a market maker sell model. So the market maker buy model was hit at equilibrium, then we reversed as you know, as I said, you know, market maker models either go to 50% and reverse, or they go to 50% and they disrespect that equilibrium and they complete it. And as you've seen here, we came to equilibrium and we disrespected it. So this is gonna be bound to be completed. Even on NQ, I think NQ was probably the better one to see it. Oh yeah, we just ran right through. We came back up and used it as an inverged. So yeah, shorts would have been more ideal there on the 1 minute. US CAD. We closed bullish right on the 15. Oh yeah, it just looks bullish. Maybe this is what we needed. I'm gonna watch the forex pairs here. Alright, so GU drops below that consequent encroachment, or that. So Euro's dropping now. We're gonna see if we can get a 5-minute displacement, probably below these lows. We're gonna see on the 5-minute time frame. So on the next 11:20, we're gonna see if we can get that and probably make a sell sign balance on the 5-minute and then enter. This trade here was kind of invalidated since we did get stopped at a break. Even I wouldn't be too bad for Euro shorts here. If GU drops below that inverse fair value gap it has on the 15, I wouldn't mind it at all, honestly. If we start dropping on Euro, take the shorts on Euro. I would have preferred a discount, I mean a premium. I don't think we're gonna get it. Euro looks like it wants to complete the market maker models for me now. Okay, no, we're not. GU is just respecting that. I don't think we're even gonna get it. Just gonna wait. We completed it already. Completed the market maker model. Swap this liquidity here. Perfect. Delivery to the downside. I want to see GU make this an inverse. We're already inside of a premium. I don't think we want to continue being there. If we do, then it just goes to show dollars weak. Dollar weak. If we don't push up. I want to see this be what? Inversed. I want to see this do that, and then boom, like that. Alright. There we go back already. Yeah. That's what I want to see. I want to see this. That means Euro's gonna have to wedge. Give me the guys. So Euro looks a lot weaker though. I'll probably take the shorts on Euro since Euro just seems likely to just rally lower. Rally lower. We're gonna watch this. We're gonna watch the forex pairs. I don't think I want to watch indices right now, especially how it's moving back and forth. So yeah, no, a little breaker formed on there. They didn't respect it here. Break it in form. They didn't respect it either. I'm gonna watch this. What are y'all watching, bro? Breaking below this. We got 2 minutes. 1 minute 30 actually, but 2 candles to see if we can stay below there. So this candle and then the next one, I'm gonna see if we stay below there. Looks like a clear market maker sell model here on the 1 minute. I'll probably take a profit if I was shorting right now below these lows. We're not. Okay, we close below that one. Now we see this one. So Euro respected it, GU didn't though. So I'm watching GU now to see if we can most likely drop below it. I want to see. Okay, well now we're digging deeper on GU. Maybe the trade idea will probably be valid on GU. GU, it formed the buy center balance with the previous 2 candles. Not this one, but the previous ones. So EU's gonna create a market structure shift here. Probably hitting a discount out of the wick. Approaching probably this range right here. So see if we can rally up. Probably seems like we're forming a sell side imbalance here. If we continue to drop a little bit, we come back, probably enter and then short. Probably to down here. This short was ideal for on the 15. The bodies respected it. We could have seen that. I guess we moved our stop loss to break even too soon. GU, the buy side imbalance I was talking about was these two candles right here. The previous two right here formed a buy side imbalance. So if we close below it in the next 9 minutes, let's see, we're gonna form that buy side imbalance there. The next what? 9 minutes, yeah. GU's drop, and we're gonna see if we can form a 5-minute saving. Then we'll probably answer off of that in the next 4 minutes. Four candles after this one, so yeah. Just gotta be patient here, I guess. It's probably London close already. We're still above midnight. No, this one is above midnight for sure. This one though is right. Yeah, this one's definitely above it. So we're gonna see if Euro can just continue to do that. Hit in London during London close for sure. Just being patient. Patience would have paid there if we didn't move our stop to break even. Just gonna see if we can get a re-entry now. Honestly, we probably won't be able to. So next 7 minutes, I want to see if GU closes below that inverse we created earlier, and then I'll probably take a short on GU. Honestly, EU is already too deep into a premium. Probably GU will offer better shorts since EU is already, digging deeper. EU never created an inverse. It created a sell side imbalance that was respected, honestly. So we got 3 minutes after this candle to see if we create a 5-minute sell side imbalance on EU. That wouldn't be a bad idea to short that either. I think this would have been the best trade idea here this early morning. Creating this sell side imbalance, coming back into it, we hit this right here, and then we drop. That would have been the best trade idea here, especially on Euro. And then we're just catching all this right here. Catching this too eventually, all this retracement right here. Holding the trade, putting the stop up here. That would have been very beautiful. We're creating a sell side balance. I do think we're going to create it here. So yeah, we're going to see if they can form. Euro, we're about to be below it. On GU, honestly, GU shorts wouldn't look bad, honestly. I'll probably take a short if we enter back on that range on the 15-minute. So yeah, now GU shorts wouldn't look bad. We're just too bullish. I want to catch that little bearish retracement. Still got what, 5 minutes? Dun, 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 dun. I don't know why I got scared, I guess I got scared because of how your GU was pushing up while EU was dropping. That's kind of why we moved the stops to break even. I think we should have just been more patient. Just accepting the risk and letting the trade breathe, honestly, is one of the best things we could have done. Instead of just, not even holding it. So this candle over here, about to create that sell side imbalance right now on 15 seconds. I want to see if we can come back up, probably hit that and then drop. Same thing for GU, honestly, the same thing. We already created it right here, so I wouldn't mind if we come back. Probably the next candle come back up, hit this right here and then start dropping. For GU, EU though, I want to see us come back up right here and then drop. For GU, probably not. Probably come back up to the inverse and then drop. I don't think we're gonna get that though. We're hitting this kind of wick. GU would just probably offer a lot better short since we are to a deeper discount or premium. So, just bad trading experiences, honestly, right now. Today's probably the worst day for the week. No, not really the worst day. We've seen worse, honestly. Really just made some silly mistakes today again. I need to review them. Mistakes that shouldn't have been made. Guess that's the name of the game. For sure, you know. The euro's pumping low. I don't think we're gonna get an entry. Hi, what's up, hi trader? H trader, I mean. I said hi trader. We're dropping. This would have been our first take profit. Really sucks, bro. This is BS, bro. BS for sure, Dropping on these for sure. Dropping on those. I don't think we're gonna rally up any further. Damn, bro. Just crazy movement today, bro. Honestly. I'm going to be very patient here. I'm probably going to wait for the 15-minute area to be hit. For sure. On GU. If not, then of course, market structure shift on the 5-minute would have been ideal. Probably below these lows. If we get a market structure shift there. There's an order block here. Using it as an inversion array right now. On the 5-minute, we got what? 3 minutes. I want to see 3-minute candles. We're creating a SIBI too. We're not probably going to retrace. Yeah, I doubt it. We're going to continue dropping. Complete the market, make a model probably. We got what? 2 minutes? 2 minutes till we close on the 15. So yeah, after this candle. See the bearish slide, bearish movement. We're using that PD array as an inversion now. We're just gonna wait now for a re-entry if we go higher. Probably retrace on GU. I don't expect Euro to probably retrace. I doubt it though. I think Euro's just gonna complete it faster than GU, the market maker sell model here. So yeah, just gonna let the trade run, or not even in a trade. What am I talking about? Very goofy. Just letting the market run, I should say. Letting it do its thing. Just chilling out, honestly. I see us taking out these lows for GU, honestly. Mark that out. For Euro, we already took them out, so it's like clear SMT. I see GU catching up for sure, just dropping further and further. while Euro probably takes out these lows, so we'll mark these out. But for GU, we have that 15-minute dealing range. I want to see if come up to like equilibrium of it for sure, and then probably start to see signs of a reversal here, and then we probably find a trade idea. Maybe, maybe not. You know, who knows? I really am not really inclined to even take a trade right now. I just don't even feel like the need to take a trade, honestly. What is this right here? This is blue candle. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, it's previous day low. I'm confused. I was confused. Like, wait, hold on. What dealing range is this? So, Euro's retracing now. We're going to see if we created a what? So we have another sell sign imbalance here. I would prefer the first one over the second. GU, we have a sell sign imbalance right here. Prefer this one. So, yeah, no, just pretty much it. I think we're just going to complete the lows for sure now, though. And then probably retrace after that, hitting equilibrium for sure after that. I just don't see us going up further anymore now. On the 15-minute, it looks like we're creating a sell sign imbalance, but I want to see us close below those lows. These lows right here, sweep them, close below, and then make a market structure shift on the 15 minutes from the S&P chart. So yeah, no, GU has a lot of catching up to do. We're just gonna let it catch up. The Euro USD, we're gonna watch it, I guess, see if we can find a trade idea. And if not, then that's perfectly fine here. Honestly, I wouldn't be too inclined. So market maker models better be complete here on GU. Seems like, yeah. I'm just trying to enter at the, like when the market maker is barely being formed. That's where I usually want to enter, but I guess we weren't able to anticipate that. I don't want to catch the little pullbacks. I rather prefer entering at the top or just not even entering at all. That's what I prefer, honestly. In the C's, we're not getting there clear moment. Let's see right here. What are y'all looking at right now for the market? I'm just wanting lower prices on both EU and GU for now. I want GU to catch up to EU for sure, breaking these lows. And no, yeah, that's pretty much it. Kind of what I expect. I want to see us just continue to drop and not, you know, go higher. I want to see like all these candles right here, down close candles again, just forming more, catching up. Or if we can get a retracement, I'll probably try to see if I can find an entry there. If not, then that's cool with me, honestly. I'd rather not take a trade today. More of a break-even day. Again, we should have just held the Euro trade. Even if we saw an inverse on the GBP USD, I think we should have just held this, honestly. So it would have looked like a lot better. This one, they did create that inverse, and I was very skeptical, so I moved my stop to break even pretty soon. I guess we should have just anticipated this one being the stronger one, and then eventually... Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. I could have not done anything really. I was pretty screwed from the start. As soon as I thought about moving it. We still got what, 11 minutes now to see price go further and further on these pairs to close. I want to see this one close again below these lows, then create that 15-minute sell sign imbalance. We can probably retrace and enter from the SMT chart. Indices, we're looking like we're just a little bullish. So Euro looks like it wants to retrace maybe back into these areas. I doubt it because it's going to probably fill this up and then drop further because I want to see it. We already completed this. Equilibrium was already disrespected, so I can see us coming up a little bit further and then dropping maybe. Same thing for GU. But I would prefer GU to drop further and take out these lows and then start to retrace. Then just retrace, you know, create relatively good lows right here. Or I guess we did sweep these, but not fast enough, honestly. I prefer these external levels. So that's what I'm watching, man. Just chilling right now, I guess. Still got 10 minutes, so 10 more candles after this one. Let's see that closure. I guess it is like a little doji candle right now for the 15. Not big. It's kind of a big body, but not really. Like, alright. It's like a decent one, not too much. So the trade idea probably won't be validated because of the time elements. Because the time element is basically London close. After London close, after 12 o'clock, pretty much the lunch session for New York, we basically start to have the volume die down. So that would probably invalidate a trade idea for me. That's kind of what I see, time elements. So probably the macro would probably offer something, but I doubt it. So yeah, we're just going to be chilling now. So we probably will. I'm going to see the 5 minute. We still got what? Open up a 5 minute candle here. We have another sell sign imbalance here. I'll just mark this one off this right here. Let's see Euro. Euro's still not up there yet. It's still, nah, not really. 15 minutes candle for GU. We haven't broke the lows yet. We created relative equal lows. Barely went up above it. It seems like we're forming a market maker buy model again. 50% of the range here would probably be ideal for the reversal of the market maker model. So, but again, the 15 minute candle, we're still trying to form that sell side imbalance. So I can see us coming up a little bit and then closing right there, like around here in this range, and then coming back up, creating that imbalance, and then dropping further for GU. But I want it to happen before news. I mean, before lunch, London close ends. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see the chats. What's RDRB? It's a redelivery rebalance, and that's what RDRB is. And then bearish on S&P 500. Yeah, that's good. Been going extremely bearish on the NAS and S&P, and it's really been working because we keep taking out the previous day low. So you've been, no. For here on the indices, you know, I think we did sweep. Did we sweep it? Yeah, we swept it before even. We created a volume balance. We dropped. We rallied higher. And, you know, we hit this volume imbalance or the new day opening gap on NASDAQ. You can say new day opening gap, volume imbalance. It's not really much any different. But we came up. I think that 930 was a Judas swing. We came up, rallied up, and then we started just dropping. And then we came to 50% of the range here, and then we dropped. Very, very nice movement here. So yeah, indices, you know, we've been very bearish. On the weekly, I do see us, we hit the order block, we bounced. I was expecting this, especially from the get-go, since we hit the mean threshold perfectly earlier. We didn't even hit it yet. Oh, right here, I think we bounced. No, we didn't even hit it. So that's kind of what I was expecting. A little retracement going into my charting, reading this morning. I wanted to come up and then drop. I would have preferred a sell side imbalance up here on the 4 hour, a deeper retracement, and then we start dropping. But I guess this one was fine too. So I didn't trade this. I was mainly focused on the forex pairs because of how bullish they were. That's what really caught my eye, especially Euro just retracing back into a premium of this dealing range here on the 1 hour, sweeping buy side. I was looking to take shorts, but it wasn't ideal for me yet. Probably until right here, but I never caught that. And then we took a short here, and then eventually we got stopped at a break even. And now you can see us moving to our price target, and we were probably been having a winner trade. So now we're just going to see EU. I'm looking at the S&T chart over here. If we can form we can come back up probably right here and then drop, or if we can form a sell side imbalance right here with the next candle, and then probably, you know, enter it and then drop after that. So it looks like a clear market maker sell model here on GU2. On GU, you know, it looks like a clear market maker sell model here. Right here, just clear as day, you know. And then for Euro USD, I feel like we already completed it, so GU has to catch up. But again, GU is a lot weaker right now for the pairs, so I'm just watching. I mean, stronger right now for the pairs, so I'm watching to see if we can catch up to Euro eventually. So that's why I'm watching GU. I think this would probably offer the best trade right now for our buck, but I'm not gonna force anything. I'm not gonna force my hand. So yeah, I'm just chilling right now. I'm watching that SMT chart, just seeing how we form. We did have big SMT too, though. I think the Euro trade would have been a lot better if we would have just held, bro. Just holding that trade, having our original stop loss. I wouldn't say I got FOMO. I think I just got scared. And not even the fear of missing out. It was just like being scared because of the SMT and then Euro being so strong. That's really the only thing that really threw me off. Everything else was pretty much intact. and then dollar was dropping too. So that means euro was just, I mean, yeah, dollar was dropping, euro was going up. And that just told me, you know, like, damn, we're just probably going to have to abandon the trade idea here. And that's kind of what happened. So we still got how many? We got what? 5 minutes after this. No, 4 minutes after this candle here. Put that back. You play any video games? I used to play Red Dead, Far Cry, some FIFA, Call of Duty, Modern Warfare. I don't think I got Fortnite on here. I used to play Valorant. That was pretty much it. I don't think I play anything else anymore. I don't play any games no more, but I used to a lot. I used to play a lot of Valorant, and then Call of Duty with my family. But I just stopped playing recently. As of like, when was it? I think probably the summer I stopped playing. Like around July, August, September, and October is when I started focusing more on trading, and just like really just locking in. Even now, I don't play any games as of now. Haven't touched a game in a while, honestly. Probably during like the weekends I'll probably play a game if there's like family over. Or if there's like a party, I just want to sit down and chill and play games, I guess, with them. Just play a game. But usually during the weekdays, not really. Or even if it's the weekend and nobody's here, I usually don't play. I just start working. I used to though. I used to a lot before I started trading, I guess. Or even during trading, I used to play a lot. I don't play anymore. I mean, I don't think there's nothing wrong with it. Nothing wrong with playing games either. I just don't have time. I got other things to do, man. I got goals, ambitions, all those things to achieve. You know what I'm saying? So we're still yet to drop here. This one's pumping up here. Maybe even dropping. Clear market maker. What? Structure stuff. Market structure stuff. Market structure stuff. We come back and we rally up and drop. This one. Clear market structure shift soon. I guess this would have been your market maker buy model. I see us completing it. Maybe we retrace like 50% again. Maybe even to like the premium of the sell side balance on the 15, and then we drop. Maybe not. So I'm just gonna see that how it forms. Again, I'm not gonna try to force my hand here on these type of trades, especially since the volume is dying down during the session, pretty much. So yeah. We just seem to go up and not want to even go up anymore. We just want to come down. Institutional order fund drill. You can see it in the S&T chart. So, we completed the market maker model one in ES now. So we dropped for ES. We took out the lows. These lows right here. So pretty much we completed it. With the big doji candle right there. In Q, we've been completing it, honestly. And dropping further on in Q. The weekly just looks very strong on NQ. ES, that order block. I want to see, we're about to hit the buy center balance on the consequent encroachment of this weekly candle here. The monthly looks very bearish. You can see it. That monthly candle, where's it at? Why are you down there, buddy? All the way over there. Damn, that's far. Yeah, the monthly candle. We're gonna hold it below the previous month low. So for next month, going into next month, I am bullish for like the first 2 weeks. Usually like power through on the monthly. I see it's going up, retracing, and then eventually I think we're going to come to equilibrium of the range here. That's what I expect. You don't have to expect this. You can see this. You can probably push up price higher, take out these highs. It can be a lot forming on the monthly or next month. We can respect the sell side and buy side and balance, and then push price higher, take out these highs. Market maker buy model completed there, or power through. We come up, respect it. We come into like a sell side and balance here on the weekly, and then we start dropping further and further. Use this as an inverse, and then we close below it, of course. Then we push price higher again. We just start pumping, and then we close. Come down the next month, tap into equilibrium. That is the low of the month, and then we start rallying. Market maker buy model completed. Or if we want to come take these lows out, I think I can see us taking out those lows. But as of right now, I'm still bearish on the indices until we come to equilibrium. I can be wrong though. We might have some retracements later on. Push price higher for sure. So it isn't a clear indication we're gonna get there smooth. Of course, we'll probably push lower, push higher. And then probably start to rally down. So we got this next candle here forming a 15-minute sell side imbalance. We're hitting this order block here. It's the inverse order block on the 5-minute, I think. Yeah, the 5 minutes. So we have a sell side imbalance there too. We're respecting it. 15-minute, we're about to make it with this candle here. So I want to see if we can form a little sell side imbalance here on GU, and we can just enter as soon as we come up into it and then start rejecting it. So yeah, no, that's what I'm expecting. So we formed it, created a sell side imbalance here on GU. So we're gonna see the consequent encroachment on this chart here. I feel like this chart's way too cluttered up already. So I want to see if we hit consequent encroachment of it. For sure on GU. I want to see if we continue rally. I'm gonna watch this though. Yeah, we're gonna watch this. We're pushing. I don't think we're near consequent. We're not near it. So we have that. It's like a balanced price range, honestly. I'm gonna set an alert as soon as we tap into it, though. Can be ready. And then for GU, probably right. If GU, I mean EU gets there before GU, then I'll see about EU shorts. Honestly, I'll switch over. I want to see us continue to push. If we start seeing decline, then I'm a little market maker sell model here forming on the 1 minute. Then I'll probably see if we can enter shorts with that. The PD array is forming there. Again, a premium would be very, very much needed here. We're about to hit that macro, so I can see us probably dropping after we come into the macro. After being in that Sibi. So yeah, pretty much it. We're about to hit consequent encroachment. You can see that little alert area. I'm gonna try to de-risk myself. I don't want to put too much risk on the table here on these type of trades, especially with the time element. Again, we're about to go into lunch session. I don't want to enter during lunch. I want to enter before. If we can get that here during this time window here, before 12 o'clock. So yeah, no, that's pretty much it. I think PM session never offers really good much volume for the Forex pairs. It just dies down, honestly. Let me see. During lunch, it kind of dies down, yeah, after. And then PM session doesn't, yeah, it just dies down during PM session. So it wouldn't be optimal just to trade. The volume's going to die down. The market's going to die down. It's going to be just very, very slow. Not ideal. For sure. So we're going to see. I'm not going to enter directly off of it. I'm going to wait a little bit to see if we can go up a little bit higher. Probably come into here. And then take a short, honestly. So we're hitting it. We're hitting equilibrium of the range. I want to see if we continue higher. Or if we start rejecting. I don't enter no more. I would have entered here probably as soon as we hit consequent encroachment. Enter. I want to see more of a rejection and then start to enter. I want to wait for that rejection because then boom, you can see that. I guess not really hesitation. It's more of a anticipation. Okay, we're rejecting it. Perfect delivery. You can see that. And then we're going to close here. I want to see that close. I want to see one more stab up into it. If not, then we start dropping. Then I'll enter right then and there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Power 3 on this 1 minute candle. If we come up, enter, and then boom, we drop. This one closes a little bit bullish. I want to see the next one. Yeah, you can see that. All right. I want to see if we come up above this right here. Consequent encroachment. Come up, we're going to be bullish. So we are above it right now. See, we're above it. We're respecting it. We're going to wait for bearish PD arrays to come in and bullish ones to be disrespected. So yeah, we're going to see what other things do you trade besides Forex? I'm going to try to go into crypto more and then eventually stocks too. Some options maybe, or some long-term shares. That's pretty much it. I do, as of right now, I'm just trying to build short-term capital here. So we are respecting this sell side and consequent encroachment on this premium wick. And I just want to see us. We have 11 minutes on this 15-minute candle here. After this candle, of course. So we're pushing higher. See, that's why you don't want to enter strictly off of the consequent encroachment rejection. EU is hitting it now. We're going to see now. Oh, we're going to keep it on there. We're going to see now if we can use it as a bullish PD array, of course. And if not, we close below it. Use it as a bearish one. Very, very good indication here. Use wicks as gaps. Measure that. I'm going to EU real quick. EU is back in there. EU has what? A little what? Sell side balance here. We're going to see if we respect consequent encroachment. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man. That's all I'm waiting for. I don't want to enter strictly off of this right here. I want to wait. I want to see $2. What? Pumping lower. Retracement for $1. I want to see if we're up in the premium already. Discount. No, we still got time. We still got movement lower. Discount movement higher, of course. So we're just gonna wait. wait. We're inside of a premium. We're gonna wait for rejection and then enter. We're not gonna enter off of strictly, you know, just constant encroachment. I want to have the best entry possible without hesitation and or feeling intimidated about the entry. Of course, I want to have confirmation as much as possible. That is something I'm lacking, of course. You know, I'm break even today. I want to be, you know, winning today. So this is kind of what I have to do. I've been reviewing my trades. You know, I really get really impulsive. I would enter right there. Boom. Stop loss above right here. Boom. Stopped out. It goes up. Stops us out. So we have what? If we close above this, this would be a bullish order block to push price higher. If we come back and bounce on it, then shorts wouldn't be ideal, of course, you know. So let's go look at the indices real quick. Indices are rallying. They better come back and retrace to what? 50% of that range that created on the 15-minute time frame. I can see it's going back up probably. Honestly, bro, this week I should have probably caught like at least like a 1 to 5 risk reward on trades. Not like one trade, but like overall. I guess, you know, this euro trade, that would have been a good partial right there. That would have been a good like 1 to 2. So we kind of closed above it. I want to see if we close below it. GU, we're kind of close above this right here. We're gonna be measuring this, see if we're close below the mean threshold, and then use it as an inverse. We're just waiting for more rejection yet. We're not getting that yet. Just pushing price higher. Waiting for rejection. For the indices, we have a little sell side imbalance on the 15. For NQ, it looks clear. It's inside of a premium. Maybe that would be our PM session trade later today to push price. But again, I don't really want to put capital on right now, especially since we created low of week Thursday right now. Yeah, we created low of week Thursday. Maybe we come lower. I don't know. I'd rather wait for tomorrow TGIF if we can get one. For sure, we can get one. Euro USD, we're above that one, so we're going to measure this one now. So we'll see if we can hold above consequent encroachments. Hitting mean threshold of this one. See the chat. What did the chat saying? Y'all not saying that y'all are really quiet lately. So that's what I'm looking at the indices real quick. You can see here we have what? South kind of balance equilibrium of the range on the 15-minute time frame here on this one. Come back up. We're going to put an alert here for NQ. NQ looks a lot weaker. ES looks a lot stronger. So for ES, of course, we're going to set an alert too. We're going to set an alert for both of them. And now we're going to put this over here. Watch the indices or the forex pairs. You can see the forex pairs. We're above consequent encroachment. We got what? 7 minutes. Yeah, we're just watching that. As of right now, waiting for rejection to enter the trade. And I don't think we're going to get it before the lunch session starts. So the volume might die down here. Respecting that one. We're hitting that. Mean threshold is being hit right now. We're not going further into a premium. Looks like the trade idea might be coming into fruition here. If we can come down and close below this mean threshold, enter shorts, change instead of delivery because this one wasn't respected here. Close below this one, of course. This up close candle here. Use that. Or maybe the premium wick too as an entry. This is where the shorts might come in, ladies and gentlemen. So just be a little patient here. Wait for the market to do its thing. Not really force your hand. So yeah, no, that's pretty much it. 30 seconds. We're looking like what? So we're going to close below this. So we're going to see if we can use that as an inverse. We're going to see if we can probably come above here. Close below. Okay, yeah, we're closing below this too. 20 seconds. We're going to see. We're going to see if we close below that candle. I want to see if it closes. We're not getting that yet. Okay, so we're not getting that. We just respected the mean threshold or the consequent encroachment. So we're just pushing higher now. We're respecting that. I want to see a closure for sure. You'll see euro. Euro is respecting that. GU is. We're not closing though. We're just waiting here. Waiting here. I want to see a closure below this right here. And then eventually, we can probably use this as a means to enter. It's consequent encroachment here. I want to see if we can hit signs of rejection here. No chat, no chat saying nothing right now. Alright. I gotta watch the chat here and there, you know. I want to see what y'all are saying. So we're near equilibrium or consequent encroachment of the 15-minute sell side imbalance. Okay, we're pushing price lower. We're gonna get that closure. We're hitting. Okay, yeah, perfect delivery here. I might have to move the Fibonacci here. Okay, so we are pushing. We'll use the Fibonacci here on this right here if we close. And we're going to want to see it come back up to that discount. Okay. we close below this? Let's see if we can close the next candle. 4 seconds. Okay, we're not gonna close. If we close below, come on, close below this. Okay, we close below it. I want to see it come back up to that yellow line up there. Then we can enter shorts. Come on. Come on. We're gonna see. We're just gonna be patient here. I think Euro. If we hold the premium wick, I'll see if we can enter there. Come on. Come on, just push price higher. One more time. It's a little bit above, I guess. I guess we're holding premium wick. See, the volume is already dying down. It's about to be lunch. Can see why. I would probably de-risk myself here. I think we're gonna get it. I think we're gonna just drop below this. Look at euros. Oh yeah, euros retracement. We're gonna probably get a retracement here on this one. I gotta use the restroom though, honestly. So I'll be back. Okay, yeah, when we're pushing higher now, we're hitting the mean threshold. That looks nice. Of the inverse, I want to see a hold for sure, and then eventually. Okay, no, yeah, no, it just doesn't look like it's gonna hold. Look like we're closing above. Yeah, it doesn't look good. Looks like we're gonna be bullish for sure. That's kind of why I wait for more rejection here. Wait for more rejection. Probably use this one now since we did up close. This guy disrespected. That means to push price higher. I want to see this one get closed in now. Eventually the mean threshold close and close the body for sure. So we're gonna see what chat's saying. No, nothing right now. So oh yeah, we're pushing now. Euro, we hit that consequent encroachment again. Now we're dropping. I want to see Euro probably form a fair value gap here maybe, and then probably push into it and drop below it, or maybe not. Maybe we won't get it. GU, okay, yeah, we're closing below it. This is probably where we enter the shorts. It might be too late now. Yeah, I think it might be too late if we come trying to enter shorts here. I think Euro shorts might be more ideal, since it is coming to this right here. I already respected that. GU looked a lot weaker than Euro right now. You can just see GU wants to drop. We had a little bit GG market structure shift. I think we can probably come up and drop. Euro USD, you can come up to mean threshold and then eventually start seeing prices come lower. But I want to see it what closure below this, and then eventually come up and then drop. So this is what I want to see here. I want to see this, yeah, close, and then eventually come back up maybe, and then drop back to it for sure. So yeah, we're just gonna watch price now, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen. GU looks perfect though for shorts. It would have looked very beautiful if we took shorts here. Damn, you can see. Just this threw me off right here. It's probably the only thing that threw me off. After that we started dropping. Then we won't be able to catch a retracement, which is perfectly fine. 15-minute sell sign imbalance is holding. So we open up a new candle on the 15 right now with 12 o'clock. So we're going to see what 12 o'clock offers, of course. And we're just going to be very, very mindful. See what it offers. If it offers the goodies, if it offers not the goodies. So we're going to watch that. Por favor. Senor, we're going to watch that. Senor. I would prefer GU shorts a lot. So right now you can see we're just trapped. So no trade. The good afternoon. Yeah, it's a good afternoon right now. Euro crossing the 1 minutes. Equilibrium. I want to see how we react to equilibrium. If we disrespect it, then I see, completing the market maker model. If we respect it, then I see us not completing it. So just with the time element too, of course, at 12 New York time, you can just see clear indication, sometimes that we won't probably complete it sometimes, especially with the time elements of the volume dying down. Look at GU just pumping up into the sell sign of balance. We're gonna see, I guess, Euro's bumping into it too. But Euro doesn't want to hold it. Euro wants to be weak and disrespect the equilibrium as of right now, but not right. We're gonna wait. I wouldn't take a trade there, honestly. I think it's already too late. It's already too late, honestly. So just chill, bro. Just chill, bro. Just chill. Like, it ain't that serious, bro. Just chill, bro. Just chill, bro. Chill. Like, it ain't that serious, bro. Just chill. As Lil Yachty would say, chill, bro. Chill. It's not that serious, bro. Like, enjoy life, bro. Just chill, bro. Damn. And then he'll proceed to say, the N-word, which I'm not gonna try to say on the stream because I'm trying to be professional. Can't say that here. Can't say it anywhere actually because I'm not black. But if I was, I still wouldn't say it. So I don't want to get canceled. Honestly, that's the only reason why. It's too soon for me to get canceled, man. Not like Fuzzy 2 Boy or Sneeko and all them. So GU, we're honestly respecting the Sibi. Honestly, if we close below, I see us respecting it. If we close a little bit inside of it, we're still kind of respecting it. But I would prefer just a little closer below, and then come back up using it and just pushing it lower. Euro coming up into it. We're digging a little deeper than we should have, honestly, to this inverse array. I guess I got too much shit on my chart. I need to clean it. Honestly, bro, like my chart's freaking messy. I'm gonna clean it right now. There's way too much mess, bro. Like honestly, all over the chart. Some days I get really agitated because of it. Especially on. Oh, damn, GU is dirty, bro. Shit, dirty. I don't want to have shit on my chart. No? I want to have it clean, bro. Like clean. Just clean. Keep it clean. This is the equilibrium, yeah. So I want to have it clean, bro. Indices too, I bet. Indices, oh yeah, it's not really dirty. Indices, we have that chop coming in. PM session maybe might offer that some better trades. Some better trades here. We're gonna have this right here. Turned, remove all inactive. What is this for Euro? Is this Euro? Is this even Euro? Okay, yeah, this is Euro. It's a 5 minute, 15 minute. I'm gonna drop all this right quick. So yeah. We're gonna have this right here just marked out on the chart. So yeah. So GU dropping now after hitting the Sibi. Euro still inside of it. We're still, like in the lower quadrant. We're like past consequent encroachment, but we are going a little bit into it, a little bit more than GU. I think it's clear SMT on the 4 hour though. 4 hour, oh yeah, clear SMT. Euro has yet to take out these lows, while NQ already, GU already has. So clear SMT here on the 4 hour. But at the end of the day, they both got to take out these external lows right here, so it's only a matter of time before they get taken out here. Let me show you. See on the 4 hour, Euro took these out. GU never did, of course. GU did already, and then we have these external lows that I see eventually both of them taking it out. Just GU looks a lot stronger since we already swept all these lows, while EU hasn't. So EU's still coming up short around these lows. So yeah, I see this being taken out in EU, and then eventually for GU we're gonna continue to drop a little bit, but we're gonna be a little bit stronger than EU. EU takes them out, and then eventually we retrace a little bit, while GU retraces or consolidates, and then eventually starts aiming for those lows eventually. So, no, yeah, that's pretty much what I see now. SPX, we have our alerts set basically for the consequent encroachment of the civvies. I don't think we're gonna reach up into there. Maybe form a market maker buy model and come up, and then probably use those as our take profit areas and just leaving the trade running. I mean, if we take a trade, we're gonna leave it up there to running up there for the civvies on the 15. So if we have a market breaker buy model form here, a smart money reversal during lunch, I guess we can probably target the consequent encroachment of the civvy like into equilibrium of the range. But I don't see that happening. We're just dropping. Dollar's probably pumping up. Dollar hit the discount. Damn, I should have seen this, bro. Like, I always get messed up with dollar. I never view dollar in time for the forex pairs to anticipate them going lower. Again, dollar came up. These dropped. Beautiful, beautiful delivery. We anticipated this. We didn't enter short sooner, so we missed out. Pretty good day, honestly. Actually a really good fucking day, man. Really good fucking day. I'm really happy with what happened, how we anticipated this, and how we watched the market. You know, screen time is being built up during this, so we're not wasting time at all. We're just building up experience. That's what I love. Three hours of watching the market, bro. Can't tell me shit. Nobody can tell me nothing. 3 hours of watching the market since 8:30, and watching all this happen, and anticipating it, and just understanding where and why it's going, where it's going. Of course the trades weren't there. We didn't hit trades. I think we got one break even, and then that's it. You know, one break even. The other ones were pretty much, or the EU one was pretty much a break even trade. We already knew where it was gonna go though. We came up in here, took the short, we got stopped out. I think it was right here. We got stopped out. We came back, chopped. But at the end of the day, we're already watching this anticipate. We're watching all this right here, all this right here. We didn't enter. If I would have entered right here, we'd probably got stopped out like multiple times. This was a clear trade. We hit a take profit, and then we got stopped out at break even. Simple and beautiful. GU, we anticipated this right here. Never caught the trade though. I think we should have. I guess this was just too fast paced right here. Way too fast paced. We weren't able to catch that. I guess we were watching the pretty much right here. I guess we should have just entered that consequent encroachment of the civvy on the. Oh yeah, we should have watched the 15-minute, bro. The 15-minute would offer. Yeah, 15-minute just telling us clear indication. We should have just not been stuck on the 5-minute. The 1 minute, I mean. 5 minutes should have been clear to us. Entered. Boom. We held. Stopped above the 5-minute civvy. High, and then just, that would have been a clear trade. Let's see right, where is it? Right here, right? Say we enter like right around here, stop above, not this high but this one, of course, and then take profit below these lows. 1 to 2, perfect. 1 to 2, very, very beautiful delivery. Been anticipating this, baby. We've been anticipating this. Forex indices, we didn't really watch indices much today. I just wasn't interested because of how deep just because of how we opened, I guess. Came up, and then for the new day opening, of course, new day opening gap, we came up, rallied up, and then just dropped. And then the weekly profile too, Tuesday high of week, and then Thursday low of day or low of week. I mean, I see us probably creating lows, and then probably Friday we're having a TGIF set up for sure. Probably on NQ would offer it a lot better here. We're going to measure this. TGIF for sure. Tomorrow we're going to see if we can come back up to the range. For sure, honestly. It's not bad at all, you know. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting here. We hit the day opening gap perfectly. Again, bro, just all these deliveries, I'm going to chart them later. See what I could have done better to anticipate them. And yeah, just seeing the GU one probably would have been my best bet. Damn, that shit was beautiful, bro. Beautiful delivery now. Euro beautiful, GUD beautiful. US CAD too. Again, US CAD, we could have caught this and then eventually this. We saw both discount in the range. If you don't believe me, go back into the stream and rewatch it. If you don't believe me, I rewatch my streams, bro, every day. Not every day, but like during the weekend, I usually rewatch it. I go back to my page. I don't even watch other traders. I watch myself, bro. I think that's something a lot of y'all should do. You should watch yourself because you got to see what you can improve on and what other people can improve on. Focus on yourself. Don't focus on anybody else. I think that's the weirdest thing you can do. Just worry about somebody else, bro. That's the weirdest thing you can do, honestly. In today's day and time. Worrying about somebody else, bro. That shit's mad weird. Worry about yourself. Focus on yourself, bro. Real shit, bro. Real shit, bro. Focus on yourself. That's why I watch my streams. See what I could do better the intraday. Probably what I could have spotted after I chart the trades or I'm done charting. I usually chart after like what 16 o'clock, so like 4, 5. I usually start charting pretty much because this is pretty much my day right here. I don't use the midnight openings. I usually only use the vertical line here. You can see it. So this right here, all discounted. I think I'm gonna take off the sessions before that. So today's session only. So I think I'll just use that. I would have wanted for probably Asia. Oh, no, we already have the indicator for it. I don't want to see this either. I don't want to see that. Probably this like that, yeah. I'm gonna keep this on, I guess, honestly. I don't see nothing wrong with it. 1 hour goes away for sure. Just gonna keep it on here. I guess this could have helped us a lot, really. Seeing the time aspect, and then 9:30. Then midnight opening. Midnight opening is something I need to use more often. I tend to not use it enough, but I tend to forget about it sometimes when I'm trying to measure like premium and discount ranges. So anything above here in a bearish day, anything above the midnight opening is what a premium. Pretty much you can see that, and then anything below is a discount. So that's how you measure. Yeah, we can see we're deep freaking premium here on GU, bro. Shit was deep. One thing I don't like about the session highlighting is pretty much like it just overlaps. I want to bring it to the back. Send. Oh yeah, we're already in the back. Damn. It just overlaps with the PD arrays. I don't like that. See, like it just overlaps with some of them. I want the candles to be in the front. What am I doing? I want the candles to be always in front no matter what. No, but yeah, I think I'm gonna just leave the indicator on. I don't see nothing wrong with it. The other indicators like what is it? ICT kilostones pivots. Yeah, this one right here. I used to use it a lot. I don't know. I think I like the pivots the most. Pretty much pivots are like the high and low of the sessions, or pretty much the sessions. But for forex, it doesn't. It shows like usually the whatchamacallit, shows like the indices session on that ICT killzone pivots thing. I don't like that. I usually like using like forex kill zones and then eventually marking out 9:30 for indices, and then like having a London close, and then that's pretty much like the silver bullet hour from 10 to 11, of course, and then eventually the London close. So yeah, good day, man. Good day. See us continuing to drop. Do you trade a PPI, CPI, etc.? So about that, do I trade CPI, PPI? It depends. It depends on how the news week is. So let me show you. Let me explain it to you actually on the news. So next week we're gonna have FOMC. Let's take off everything else for this, and let's just leave this right here with this right here. So the main pairs I trade. I don't usually use it. I don't know why I have JPY. All right, so pretty much next week we have FOMC. I'm gonna show you so the day before a big news event like CPI, PPI, or FOMC. So Tuesday, I usually try to be more cautious during the PM session because that's leading up more to the event sooner, and then eventually AM session. I usually like trading AM session, but for this day we have 10 o'clock news, so I would be very more on the sidelines if we don't get good price action after 10 o'clock. And then, you know, I'll usually try to take a trade right before lunch. If it's there and, you know, it's just right before lunch or like before lunch, honestly, I'll take it. But if it's not, I won't take it, honestly. So like leading up from like at least like 10 to 11, I'll try to take it. From 11 to 12, I'll kind of not be, you know, trying to force anything, or I'll not be looking to take anything. And then for FOMC, I usually wait. Since that's like 2:30 news, I'll probably wait like 15 minutes after this news right here, and then trade after. But the day leading up to FOMC, there's 10 o'clock news. So usually there isn't any news in the AM session. Sometimes there isn't, but there's not ADP non-farm unemployment. So again, I probably won't even trade Wednesday. Wednesday just looks way too chaotic. And then for Thursday will probably offer a lot of good trades since there's pretty much only 8:30 news for the USD pairs or USD indices, and then 8:30 for GPP. So probably after the equities open, not New York Stock Exchange open, but equities. So 8:30, probably try to see if I can find a forex trade there. Friday the same thing, probably after 8:30, and then 10 o'clock too, of course. So like waiting like 15 minutes after 10. I usually like waiting 15 to 30 minutes after the news comes out. I feel like, you know, usually if it's bearish, you know, we usually retrace back up and then drop further. Or if we're bullish, we come back down and then we rally higher. It just depends on what directional or what our weekly directional premise is, usually for 10 o'clock news, especially on Friday, you know, Friday too. These Fridays we don't, you know, create the low of week on Friday and then we rally up and close a little bit higher. But I'm going to try to catch the movement down for sure. And probably Thursday, good trading day. Friday after the 10 o'clock news, a good trading day. Wednesday, not really. Tuesday, you know, Monday, probably watch the range pan out, see how we're going to form the week. Tuesday, too, you know, see if we're going to create the low week Tuesday or if we're going to create the low week Wednesday. Just watching how the weekly profile is forming on this. This week really was high week Tuesday for the Forex pairs, indices too. And then eventually Wednesday was a continuation, went down. Thursday was a continuation down too. I feel like we're going to create the low week Thursday, start to retrace back up for that TGIF Friday. So that's what I'm going to be expecting tomorrow for tomorrow's stream. So now you know what I'm looking for. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man. But usually the day before AM session, big news events, again, I'll try to see if I can find a trade. If not, then I won't take anything. Leading up, like try to lead up like a little bit, like an hour before lunch. I'll see. But if there isn't anything, not forcing myself, I'll just wait for after the FOMC or PPI or CPI news. For CPI and PPI is usually 8:30. So I usually like trading those. Like the day before, though, I won't really trade it because the price action is really sloppy. But like after the news events, of course, I'll probably trade. For the indices, usually wait for like 9:30, so like an hour after the news. Forex pairs, probably like 30 minutes after the news, because those are, you know, big volatile news. CPI core price index, and then what even is price? What is PPI price per? Fuck, what is it? I need to see what it is. I need to understand this because I'm reading a book about economics right now. Reading an economic book. What is this right here? Folder. What does it mean for price? What does PPI stand for? What the fuck? I'm not saying shit. Oh, core finished goods PPI. What does PPI stand for? What does PPI stand for? What the? What is the meaning for it? Pixels per inch? What? It's not economics. Economics. There. Oh, produce price index. Okay. A family of indexes that measures the average change in domestic goods, services. Okay, yeah, nah. I know consumer price index CPI. This is producer price index PPI. What is the other one? FOMC. I know what FOMC is, Federal Open Market Committee, and then GDP is the growth prelim, UOM consumer sentiment. Let's go look what that is. What is the prelim? I know it's consumer sentiment, but what is the prelim? Prelim UOM stand for economics. What even is UOM stand for? Let's see. I'm curious. Unit of measure. Okay, there we go. Okay, prelim unit of measure consumer sentiment. Okay, I see. And then prelim is a price paid above and beyond some of the basic intrinsic value. Basically, that's what premium. Oh, it's premium. No, it's prelim. What the fuck? What's it saying? Okay, yeah, no, hold on. I spelled it wrong over here, that's why. This preliminary economic assessment means a study other than a pre-feasible or feasibility study, include economic now. Macroeconomic in nature, focusing on the aspects of economic behavior on consumers, business, and governments. Okay, now I gotta know. Y'all gotta know what these mean, man. Y'all gotta know, cause when news comes out, bro, y'all gotta be focused. Y'all gotta know, you know. Y'all gotta know what all these meanings mean. You know, everything has a meaning. I'm reading a book about it. That's why I'm really kind of curious for it. Because in the book, you know, it states more about what the Federal Reserve does. The book is called. I recommend a lot of people reading it. If y'all are like traders or just even investors in general. It's called Lords of Easy Money by Christopher Leonardo. I am currently on I just hit chapter 8 yesterday. We're on page 151. There is 352 pages. And it talks about the Federal Reserve, people inside the Federal Reserve, or like members, chairman. And then it just leads up to like how the timeline of the Federal Reserve basically has been, you know. How, you know, the asset bubble or 2008 bubble created, the 1971 to 1979, and then how much, you know, how we put trillions of dollars into the market. Then the ZIRP, zero interest rate policy, of course, you know, having interest rates at zero, what that does and how that affects the market. Right now our interest rates are like 5%, I think, for the USD market. So that means, you know, it is pretty high. So that means, you know, he's trying to bring down inflation, since inflation was pretty high. He's bringing up interest rates, so that means inflation goes down. So that means everything else costs more, and that's kind of why you see the market dropping, I guess. Since I think he's trying to raise interest rates a little bit more further, I have to keep up more. I have to download more of the Bloomberg apps. And yesterday we did drop for a new day opening gap. I want to explain it too because of Meta. Basically, Meta had earnings yesterday, and we basically dropped. So that's kind of why I was where's it at stocks? So that's kind of why I was a little itty bitty skeptical. So Meta had earnings yesterday. You can see we went up, and then we just wait, hold on. I know we had earnings right here. Earnings after the market. You can see rallied up, and then we started dropping after that. It's like a big push up and then drop. I think Google had news. I don't even think I have Google on here. Where's stocks at? Google, right here. For Google, let's do this real quick. I always do it, and then let's put Google. Google had news? No, Google. Oh yeah, it did have. So Google dropped. You can see Google just dropped. This was Tuesday though. Yesterday was Wednesday. Did Apple have earnings? I don't think Apple did have earnings yesterday. No, yeah, probably. I think just Meta. Tesla didn't have any. No, yeah, nothing. So really, just Tesla. So no, yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, Meta, not Tesla. I'm mixing it up. So I think that's it for me, ladies and gentlemen. We're already in lunch hour, so I usually end the stream here during lunch. So I think I'm gonna just end it here. I don't think I will take anything for the PM session. I'm gonna just call it a break-even day. So we're still down on the week. Like, how much is it? I think we're down on the week. Like what? So what's near like 2%? Not bad, honestly. Oh no, 1% now. The 1%. I guess the partial we took earlier was it a percent? No. We're like down like 1.5. I think it was a little good partial, I think, from the Euro trade. I think we risked a little bit too much because of the tight stop. So now, yeah, I'm about to journal. I'm about to end the stream here. I think I'm gonna continue to have multiple charts. That's kind of why. So I have a chart right here on my left side of the screen. Let me show you. On the left side of the screen, let me show y'all real quick. So this is the left side of the screen. I usually have my OBS, but recently I've been having this chart right here. So I didn't even see my OBS. I can't see it. I usually have this chart right here for this, with two of the indices or the forex pairs. Usually trying to find trade ideas with correlation. That's why we didn't hold the Euro trade right here. We entered right here. We came back up. We got stopped out. I was very skeptical because look, this ran through it, and then we ran through it. We did. We're about to enter there. That would have been a good little short. Right here, you can see like 16 pips, 17 pips, For euro, it would have probably been a little smaller, I guess, because yeah, it's a little smaller because it already ran through the liquidity and we're still inside of a discount. I mean, yeah, discount. This one's more inside of a premium. This one offered a lot of better trade. SPX, we're watching this. These are the only markets I'm watching for now. But for yeah, SPX, we rally up. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me show y'all that. So yeah, pretty much it. I think I'm gonna keep that open. I'm sorry if I don't reply to chat as much. My bad, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, I'm gonna end the stream here. Peace. Hopefully y'all have a great rest of the day. Tomorrow we're gonna stream, find TGIF. We're gonna try to be up on the account from now. So yeah, we're gonna try to catch at least a 1 to 3 tomorrow, or 1 to 2 with the TGIF setup. PM session, I don't think I'm gonna trade. I'm gonna just review the journal, review the charting all day today, and then probably read and probably start working on some other stuff that I need to start working on. So yeah, peace. Let me read the chat before. Okay, yeah, no one's commenting, but hopefully have a great rest of the day, alright?